This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, today we will discuss about job scheduler. Sir, what is the use of job scheduler? When we can go for job scheduler? When we can go for job scheduler? Okay, what type of scenarios we can create a job schedulers? What type of scenarios we can create a job schedulers? Okay, when you are creating a job scheduler, what are the details? Okay, what are the details we will provide? Okay, what are the details we will provide? Okay, how we can debug the job scheduler? How we can debug the job scheduler? Okay, these are the common questions people will ask you. Okay, what are the configurations you are going to do in a job scheduler? Okay, how to trace the job scheduler? What type of scenarios you created the job scheduler in our project? In our project. Okay. Okay. Some okay, normal. Okay, normal our real day, our real life. Okay, real life. Sir, now see. Okay, for example, if you are working employee, if you are working employee, when you are completing 1 year in your current company, 2 years in our current company, 3 years in our current company, especially corporate companies. Okay, immediately after completion of the 1 year, you will get the email from your HR. You will get the email from your HR. Congratulations on completing 1 year anniversary like that. Yes or no? Come on. You will get the email. Okay, 3 years means 3 years wishes. 4 years means 4 years wishes. Whether they will remember your joining date, your HR will remember your joining date. Whether they will check every day. Array, tomorrow Satish is going to complete in this company 4 years. Okay, I want to send one wishes email to Satish and Satish manager like that. Whether they will check like that every day. Come on. In ma under silent గా
Ah,
ఉన్నారు మాట్లాడండి.
yes, bro.
Come on, sir. Whether they will check like that? No, right? No one will verify, right? No one will verify. Automatically will get the email. Yes or no? Agree? Sir, automatically,
Yes,
okay, you will get the email. Sir, automatically you will get the email. Okay. Next one. Sir, now, for example, if you, okay, now you went to Central Shopping Mall or else in Orbit Mall. Some, okay, shop, branded showroom. You registered your mobile number. When you registered with your phone number, email ID and date of birth and full name, your name, your name. At that time, sir, okay, you registered your mobile number with your date of birth, phone number, email ID. Okay. Sir, now when is your birthday, automatically you will get the wishes from the branded showroom. Yes or no? Automatically you will get the wishes from that branded showroom. Sir, for example, okay, Venkatesh, his birthday is tomorrow. Tomorrow he will get the wishes from either mail or else SMS. Day after tomorrow, Santakumar. Or day after tomorrow, Satish. Or day after tomorrow, Vinod Kumar. Automatically we will get the okay, SMS or else email. Even from your bank and internet bank. You will get the email or not? Come on, you will get the email or not? చెప్పండి bro. Automatically we
yes,
are getting
bro.
emails or not? Okay. Sir, nowadays if you observe, okay, I am observing last, okay, 1 year onwards. Sir, now even we are getting an email from Modi also. When there is a festival, okay, we are getting an email, right? Come on, everyone is getting an email or not? But
Yes,
I'm getting an email. Okay, I can say. Okay, you people are getting a you also getting an email, right? Okay, Ugadi wishes, New Year wishes, like that we are getting or not? Even Sankranti wishes. మీరు రిజిస్టర్ అవ్వలేదా లైక్ ఉషా
Maybe.
okay, for me I'm getting a emails, bro. That is the common emails you can consider like that. Okay, na? Sir, now whether they will think that okay, I need to send an email to this person. Okay, to wish like that. No, automation automatically. When is okay? Ugadi festival, same day you are getting an email. Okay, sorry, your credit card statement. Okay, your credit card statement. How you are getting a credit card statement? Sir, credit card or bank statement. Every month, fifth day or else second day or first day, we will get the emails. How you are getting a salary? If you are working employee, automatically your salary automatically it will credited into your account. Sir, if you didn't pay the credit card bill, if you didn't pay the credit card bill, automatically you will get the reminder emails 2, 3, 4 like that. 2, 2, 2, 3, 4 like that. Two or three are reminder emails. Even okay, customer care calls also. Customer care calls also automatically on that particular specific day. On that particular specific day, okay, you will get the email. Sir, okay, on that particular specific day, you will get the email. Sir, on that specific day, you will get the emails like that, and any almost many scenarios. Some specific time, some specific time. Now we are getting emails. Sir, now come to the Pega. Pega also. See now Pega also scenarios I will tell you. Scenarios. Sir, now scenarios. Sir, now we can observe one day scenarios. Okay. Sir, now I want to send a case. Now I asked some information. Now I asked some information. Sir, now I asked some information. Sir, now I asked some information. Okay, could you please send okay your pending documents or some information? I asked some customer. I asked some customer. Okay, this type of information I am expecting. Sir, automatically I want to send a emails. Okay, automatically okay, I want to send a email. Whoever is not providing information. Okay, automatically okay, I want to send a reminder emails. Sir, when you want to send a email, what type of scenarios? Okay, reminder emails. Sir, when you want to send a email, okay, if you are not doing a payment, payment pending. Okay, need in additional information. Need additional information. Sir, need any additional information. Sir, now I want to send some specific time some emails. Any of the scenarios and payment pending or need some information. Or else now I want to send a data reminder emails or emails and or emails. So now we want to send a data, customer data. So now this one also based upon how you work automatically. Okay, I want to send a reminder emails or emails based upon some scheduled time intervals, time intervals. Now we can observe. So now even if you observe one day, okay, from this one, okay, uh, mobile, okay, telecom vendors like Airtel or Geo or Vodafone, SMS. some offer information means offer information, we can say like that. Send offer information. Okay, send offer information means they want to promote their brand. Offer information. So now we can see automatically whatever SMS you are getting. For example, you are a Airtel customer. Whatever SMS you are getting every day at 10 o'clock, same message, same time. Other people also will get the same message. Yes or no, bro? Come on. Same SMS automatically other people also will get or not.
Yes.
Same okay, voice call. You remember voice call also. Same time, people will get the call from customer care representative every day. Every day at the same time they will call you. Yes or no? They will call you if you observe. If you observe, same day, same time, every day they will call to promote their product. Okay, some specific time they are calling to the customers to promote their orders. Specific time they are sending emails, even a Naukari. Sir, whatever email they are sending, automatically, some of the emails automatically every day at okay, this specific time, we will get the emails about job information. Job information. Okay, now we can observe here. Now we can observe here. So now, based upon scheduled time intervals means, okay, is it fine? Okay, whether just we can observe, bro, after 6 o'clock, whether you people will receive a, okay, emails from customer care representative after 5 6 o'clock, whether you will get the SMS from your mobile vendors. Come on, mobile vendors about their promotion and no, right?
No.
No, night time, even any offer information also, I mean any shopping mall. Okay, if you any shopping mall, if you reach, whether you will get no. So now this is the one scenario. What is this scenario? Automatically, should automatically I want to send reminder emails or emails based upon the some time interval. Or else now I asked about, hey Venkatesh, could you please send a daily at okay 2 a.m. IST? Whoever customers not provided the information every day. Okay, please wake up at 2 a.m. and send a reminder emails. Okay, I will send, sir. Okay, that is my job role. I will send. After that, what business will think, right? Why one? Okay, this person daily at 2 a.m. is sending emails manually. Is there any automation available from Pega end or not? Like that, people will ask you or not. For example, one day or 2 days, you forgot to send a report. At that time, they will ask you or not. Come on, they will ask you or not. If you schedule proper time, is it required to wake up at 2 a.m. IST? No, it's not required. Okay. Okay, now see here, not only this one above. Sir, we have a staging tables. Staging tables. Say staging database tables. Staging database tables. So now what okay, staging database tables, what we will do? Okay, in this staging database tables, okay, we will insert the data, staging, okay, cleanup activity. Cleanup activity, we can say that cleanup. Clean, okay. Okay, cleanup. Data from staging database tables. Database tables. So now temporary, when you are processing the case, when you are processing your case, at that time temporarily you are storing a data into the tables. You got it right? Temporarily you are storing a data. You are storing the data into the database tables. Sir, now see, keep on, okay, keep on. Your table data is increasing day by day, day by day, day by day, day by day. Sir, when you are retrieving the data from that table, when you are retrieving the data from that particular table, at that time it will give some performance issue or not. If, okay, records every day it is increasing above. volume of the data. When you want data, whatever data you are looking for at that time, because of older data, it will give the performance issue or not. Yes or no, Ganesh or Venkatesh, Akila?
Yeah, yeah,
Simple
Ankit.
and simple and sometimes why you will clean your mobile, okay, images, bro. Sometimes you will clean your mobile also, right? Clean up means some of the unnecessary files and all you will remove, right, from your laptop or mobile. Why you are doing this activity? To
To
improve your
improve
mobile
the
performance.
performance.
To improve your mobile performance, same like that I am saying. Same like that I am saying here. Clean up data. Sir, are you, sir, to increase the mobile performance, I will remove latest image also. The latest required file also I will remove. Is it fine? Come on, to
No.
improve your performance, your mobile performance, bro, I will remove my latest, okay, photo, latest file, important file also. Are you going to remove?
No.
No. Okay, whatever data is not required after some months, some years, okay, that data only, right, we will remove. Whatever data is not required, that data only we will remove. Sir, cleanup means, now see here, special and, okay, sir, when you are processing the case, temporarily, we will store the data into the our data types. And when we are processing the case, what we will do is temporarily we will store the data into the, okay, data types. Okay, or else, okay, whatever data you are getting from external system, okay, external system, directly that data you want to update into the your case type. Okay, at that time, okay, directly we will not update the data into the cases. What we will do, temporarily we will store the data into the staging tables. From staging tables, okay, this is the very important scenario. Okay, in our projects also people will do that like that. Whatever data you want to send to the external systems, through file listeners, or else to through this one, okay, connectors. At that time, first we will insert the data into some staging table. Whatever data you are coming from some external, okay, systems, first we will store into the, okay, directly, instead of updating into the case level, we will store into the staging table. From staging table we will update in a case level. So now we can think, once that case is resolved, once those cases are resolved, now we can think, is it required to maintain older data? Come on, is it required? So this one we can call it now, is it required to maintain the data? Come on. Is it required to maintain the data? Clean up,
No.
okay. Older data, and, okay, clean up activity means older data. Means more than 2000 days. Okay, okay, 900 days. 900, 1200, okay, 2000 days, like that. You can define the scenario. And if that record is older than 900 days, if that record is, okay, older than 1200 days, 2000 days, I want to remove, means you are doing a cleanup activity. So now you can see here, not only this one, case information, we are specific, okay, specific case information we are storing into, okay, specific case information we are storing into the case level, staging table. Sir, specific case information we are storing into the staging table. After, okay, sir, now case is resolved, I want to clean up those, okay, I want to clean up that data from these staging tables. Sir, once the case is resolved, I want to delete. Sir, I want to delete this one. Okay, next one, not only this one. And sir, requesting information from customer. to process the case, to process the, okay, customer request. You can think that customer request means case. So now we can think, see, observe in our companies, when you apply a leave, when you apply a leave, if your manager didn't approve within the 15 days of time, automatically system will approve your leave request. Yes or no? Chapin, all are valid scenarios only, whatever I'm discussing.
Yes,
Yes or
yes.
no, Ganesh?
Yes.
Everyone, sir, now when you apply a leave, when you apply a leave,
With the,
if they didn't approve within the 15 days of time, automatically it will auto approve. Yes or no, bro? Oh,
yes.
okay. Sir, now same scenario, bro. Okay, now, okay, that is the one scenario. Okay, next scenario I will tell you. Sir, I'm requesting some information from Venkatesh. I'm requesting some information from Venkatesh. Sir, how long we can, okay, wait? Tell me. Sir, now to process his home loan request, to process his personal loan request, I'm, okay, requesting some additional information about. I'm, okay, requesting some additional information. Okay, he is not providing. Is it fine to open that case? Okay, months and months, months and months. Come on. Mere చెప్పండి బిజినెస్ యూస్ కేసు
No,
ఈ పీపుల్ ఓన్లీ నీడ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అండి. కమాన్.
no, bro.
What he will do, Vinod Kumar?
We will close it.
Super, bro. Excellent. Okay, we will close it. Super. Okay, the way of thinking like that. You are saying, sir, now if we didn't provide, what we will do? That word we can say that. Sir, we will resolve. Yes or no? Close it means, Vinod Kumar, close it means we will resolve the case. We will withdraw the case. We will cancel the case. Yes or no?
Yes, bro.
Sir, now even this one also. Sir, now today I requested some information from Sai Charan. Sir, tomorrow itself he didn't provide, then we will resolve these cases. It's not like that, right? I sent an email within 1 hour, he didn't respond, then I will resolve the case. His request. Like that, no, right?
No, it's not like
No. No, some specific time interval. Sir, who will decide this time intervals? Sir, I like 10 days, I like 1 month. Like, no. Business will decide. Okay, we will ask business. How long we can wait these cases? Sir, after that, okay, they will tell that. Hey, okay, within the 15 days of time, if they didn't respond, automatically you can resolve the cases. Sir, requesting some requesting information from customer to process okay, customer request case. No response. Okay, now see here, no response. Okay, within 15 days of time. Sir, within 30 days of time. Now we can define within okay, 50 days of time, within 60 days of time. So now there is no response within a 30 days of time. Automatically, okay, we want to withdraw the case. Clear? What is my use case? Come on. Hello, bro. Sir, what is my use case? Now we are clear? Sir, now I want to withdraw the case. We want to withdraw the case.
Here withdrawn means cancelled,
Yes,
right?
withdrawn means cancel only. Yes, cancel only. You are withdrawing a case means you are resolving the case. Resolved, cancelled, or resolved, withdrawn, like that, whatever status you want to update, Akila. We will ask, right, what status you want to update when we are going to withdraw the case. Now see, this is the one scenario. Okay, this is the one scenario. So now withdraw the case. Okay, next scenario. There is no automatically withdraw the case. Next one. So now here within the, sir, now see here automatically withdrawn the case. If you didn't get the response within 7 days of time, 7 days, no response within, okay, with within 10 days, okay, 30 days. Now here, what is my scenario? 7 days, automatically send a reminder email. Okay, agree? Hello? So now I can define my use case, right? Okay, withdraw the case and send a email. Send a email. Yes, we can define like that also, right? Sir, now we can define like that also, right, bro? Sir, when we are withdrawing a case, we will send an email, man. Okay, we are resolving, we are withdrawing your request. We are withdrawing your request because of no response from you. At least we are notifying to the customer. Come on, we are notifying to the customer. Sir, now like that. Sir, fourth scenario. Fourth scenario. Sir, now see here. Okay, see here. Okay. Okay. Sir, now Pega application abba. Pega application. Sir, now there is some external system. External system. Maybe next weekend or else or next weekend we will start the integrations after completion of the database concepts. Okay, next week also. Okay, entire next week we'll discuss about database concepts only. Okay, now see here Pega application and external system. Okay, Pega application. Okay, now see here. Okay, Pega application. Okay, okay, I will write like that. Sir, now you are requesting some information. Sir, you are requesting some information from this system. What you are requesting is, for example, you can think that. Sir, now I want, okay, this application one, see, these people, these system people maintaining, maintaining policy information. Policy information. Just you can think like that. Sir, now these system people maintaining, sir, maintaining, okay, policies, okay, say policy information. You can think like that. Sir, now you are requesting that some different ways, okay, different ways we will send a information. Okay, sir, now see, for example, now you can think that some people, many people will provide Pega training. Some people, they will discuss through Zoom. Some people, they will discuss through GoToMeeting. Some people through WebEx. Some people, some different tools. Yes or no? Agree? Same like that, when you are connecting with the two different systems, the way of sending a data, it's not always like a connectors. It's not like always like a service, okay, services. Different ways, right? Depends on their communication in between the okay applications. Okay, they will discuss that. Okay, I want data like that. I want this format. I want this format. After that, we will decide that which one we can choose and all. Okay, now what is my scenario is, okay, these people asked me, hey, man, every day, every day, every day. So now whatever customers or each request, see each policy request, each policy request. Okay, send to external system in the form of CSV file. Sir, each policy request, okay, request information send to external system in the form of CSV file. In the form of CSV file. Why? Because you are expecting the data. Okay, what your policy ID? Policy ID. Okay, sir, policy folder name. Okay, requested date, vendor name, simple vendor name. Okay, vendor name and case status. Okay, these details, sir, now they asked you to send in the form of CSV file. This data, now they asked you to send this data in the form of CSV file. Okay, we will send this data in the form of CSV file. Okay, fine. Sir, okay, they asked, could you please place this file every day, or else whenever someone is requesting, there are two different scenarios. And hey, this data, could you please place this data into some folder path? They will give some folder. Sir, now okay, we will give one folder path, Pega repository. Sir, okay, or okay, we will create one folder path. Sir, okay, folder path. Sir, whenever you are submitting a request, student, okay, whenever you are submitting a request, okay, the data converted into CSV file, okay, place that file in this folder path. Place the data in this folder path. Sir, now this one, okay, every request, whatever every policy request. Sir, now what time day, every day at um, 11 a.m. Okay, yeah, sorry, 11 p.m. IST. Sir, now whatever okay, request, like for example, 10 people today they requested some claim information. They requested. Sir, now what you want to do? Sir, now all these 10 requests you will insert okay, into some CSV file, and then you want to send that. Okay, you want to place that file in this folder path every day. Again, see now here requirement is, oh, I want to place the file in this folder path every day at 11 a.m. Every day at 11 a.m. and all scenarios are schedules. You can say that. Okay, every time schedules. Okay, next one. Sir, whoever not logging into, okay, whoever operators not logging into more than 180 days. Sir, more than 180 days. Whoever not logging into Pega application more than 180 days. Sir, automatically I want to okay, disable those disable okay those operators. Clear? What is my requirement now here, everyone? Come on, what is my requirement? Clear? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Sir, now
Uh,
for example, every day, see, for example, yesterday when I checked my operator table at that time, Ganesh, he didn't log in. 170 days, 170, okay, 179 days, he didn't log. Are you going to remove yesterday itself? Come on, yesterday itself, are you going to log in? Are you going to delete? What is our
No.
okay, condition? 180 days. Hey, Charan, okay, today he completed means every day I want to check whether these people logged in or not. Oh, logged in, then don't delete. If they didn't log in, either in day, sir, now this is the either disable or else delete whatever requirement. Sir, now staging table means even data also. Okay, not only this one, and here cleanup staging database tables are cases. Cases also. Cases also. So now see like that. Now not only this one, you can any scenarios here. Sir, broken assignments. Automatically I want to remove. Sir, whatever case, okay, whatever broken assignments. If these cases waiting from long back onwards, more than 30 days, 30 days. That's these broken assignments. assignments available from more than 90 days, more than 60 days. We can create, okay, define our criteria, this condition. We can define what condition basis you want to remove these broken items. See, if no one is asking to repair those assignments, means those okay, no one is asking to repair those as whatever assignments went to the broken queue. If no one is asking from last 90 days onwards, are you going to keep those assignments, okay, assignments, broken assignments into in our system? See, that one also we can do some cleanup activity, right? Yes or no? Cleanup activity, yes or no?
Yeah, correct.
So now, okay, broken assignments, I automatically I want to remove, automatically I want to repair. So now how we will do all the items are any not only this requirement. Sir, now see here, like that, sir, all scenario, broken assignments, okay, remove from, okay, table. Okay, what is the condition? Sir, now condition, if more than, create date time. More than 90 days. More than 90 days. So now all those scenarios, now we can remember not only this one, any scenario now we can think about. Okay, now any scenario we can think of. Sir, now see here, what is the use of job scheduler? Okay, now I will tell you. Okay, now you got a scenario, right? Like that you can think. Now, what is the use of job scheduler? Job scheduler. What we will do? That thing, job scheduler will not do anything. And main thing is you need to write a logic in activity. Okay, what this job scheduler will do. Okay, what type of scenarios? Now we can explain. Sir, now we can explain all the scenarios. Sir, what type of scenarios? Okay, you created the job scheduler. Means now we can explain.
Once in, I think, suppose if a customer information, it will generate one file every day or every time, every half an hour.
Now you want to place that file into some folder path. Sir, we will create a job scheduler. Yes or no, Satish?
Mm.
Sir, now
That is
customer.
okay.
Okay.
Like suppose if you today created one case customer information,
Uh,
so it is completed. So many cases it will create today customer information
uh,
basis.
uh, uh,
So after result completed, so job scheduler will be run every day, morning 6 a.m. So that time it will generate one CSV file, that customer information.
mm.
Like that also we can do, correct? Job
Yes,
scheduler.
same only. This one only, bro. Whatever example you told. See, now see here. What he's asking is, okay, I will tell you. Okay, one more. See, like the same scenario. See, sir, now Pega application maintaining customer information. Vice versa scenario. Sir, whoever registered new customers in Pega application, okay, we want to send those customer details into some different case, send, okay, customer details into so different, okay, different external system every day at, okay, every day at 4 a.m. Sir, now see here. Okay, sir, now every day send the customer details in the form of CSV file. Got it right? Sir, now same only, right? Come on,
Yeah.
Satish. Sir, now he is asking, sir, Arjun, previously what I told, hey, whatever you are requesting some policy information, at that time you will send this policy, okay, details in the CSV, that other system people will provide that information. Hey, place the file in this path. I will read that file. I will read that file. Some of the file is the external data. This type of examples we will discuss next week. Okay, but now schedules point of view. Now you can see here. Now we can see here 4 a.m. I want to send a CSV file. How we can do this one? How we can do this one? Okay, now every day main thing is now you want to run this activity, run this activity, run this activity, run this activity. So now run this activity, some specific schedule time, some specific schedule time. Any scenario you want to resolve the case, you want to see not only this one, sir, Arjun bro, you told here to withdraw the case and to send a reminder email after withdrawing a case. Not only like that, bro, some specific stage, if there is no information, customer didn't provide the information, I don't want to keep my case into the specific stage. I want to auto. Okay, I want to resend this case from this stage to another stage. Yes or no? Like that also we can define, right? Santukumar? Vinod? Sir, now my case is available in some specific stage, bro. I'm requesting some information. If we didn't provide, don't resolve. Sir, previously what we discussed? Hey, resolve the case. No, don't resolve. Resend that case to some different assignment, different stage. Sir, now we can create our own requirement. Yes or no? Come on, Sai Charan, Satish, come on.
Yes, bro.
Sir, now I want to resend this case to different stage and send. Sir, now see here. Now that is also one of the requirement. Now we can consider like that. So what is my scenario here? Sir, now case is available in some specific stage. Okay, stage. Now I'm writing a scenario like that. Okay, say stage 1 and stage 2. Stage 2. Stage 2. Sir, now see here. Sir, now based upon the time intervals, based upon the schedule time, based upon schedule, time intervals. Okay, we want to move the cases from one stage to another stage. Sir, based upon the schedule time intervals means what is my so now here also. Sir, within the 7 days of time. Sir, now within the 7 days of time. After 7 days, automatically, sir, now I want to move those cases from one stage to another stage. Sir, now you are you are transferring the case to some specific stage. The case is waiting from last 7 days onwards. No one is touching, no one is updated, no one is updated. Now your business use case is transfer that case to some different stage. Okay, see this, we can n number of sir, all are schedules, time intervals every day. Okay, every scenario. When I'm discussing, when I'm explaining every scenario, you can see the schedule time. Okay, now we again go here, ninth scenario. Complete the assignment automatically based upon complete the assignment. Assignment completely based upon scheduled time intervals. What do you mean? Come on, what do you mean? Chapal mere.
Yes, certainly.
Schedule lesson. Okay, SLA. Okay, fine. Here, sir, automatically I want to complete the assignment. Means what? For example, bro. Okay, now I requested some information. Previously, one scenario, withdraw the case. Second scenario, bro, change this case from this stage to another stage. The third scenario, okay, the case is available. Okay, same. Now, just now we discussed it, right? Leave approval. I told Ganesh. Okay, for example, you applied a leave. Your manager didn't approve. What we discussed. Now this case is available in approval assignment. Okay, just you can think that approval, leave approval. Okay, now Vinod Kumar, now you are clear? Leave approval assignment.
Yes, bro.
Sir, now leave,
Clear.
okay, approval assignment. Now this case is assigned to manager. Sir, now, sir, okay, claim approval. Sir, now I will tell you here. Claim approval. Sir, now see claim approval stage is available. Sir, now claim approval case stage is available. Sir, no one is working on this case. Are you in this scenario? Now observe here. In this scenario, are you going to auto approve? Come on, sir. Now you applied a claim almost more than 1 lakh. Array, no one is working on that case. Shall we auto approve that claim request? Whether any business person will design the business use case like that? Come on.
No.
That company will gone, right? If you are doing like that. Leave means no issues. Antena, Vinod Kumar?
Yes,
ఇప్పుడు
bro. Yes,
బై
bro.
మిస్టేక్ అలా చేసామనుకో ఒక 1 crore అలా క్లైమ్ చేసి పరేసి అప్రూవ్ చేయకుండా చిన్నగా మేనేజ్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. సిస్టమ్ అప్రూవ్ చేసేస్తే మనకి వస్తాయి కదా.
Yes, bro.
Okay, sir, now see here in this scenario, sir, now I don't want to move. Sir, go and escalation. Escalation stage. Sir, now what? Okay, if they didn't perform any actions, whatever cases are available in this stage, automatically I want to move to escalation stage. Clear, bro? What is the use case now here? Hello?
Yes, bro.
Sir, now here, sir, leave approval. Sir, now if they didn't provide the leave approval, leave. Sir, now if they didn't provide the leave at that time, automatically, sir, complete the assignment automatically based upon scheduled time interval. Now, what you are doing here? What you are doing here? You are completing that assignment and updating the status. Completing the assignment and then updating the status. Okay, case status. What case status you are updating now? Leave or else auto. Okay, sir, now system. Okay, what we will leave approved. Okay, na bro, everyone. Okay, Ila, sir, okay, how many scenarios you want to discuss? You want to create your own? You can create. Now you people can tell me scenarios. We can create n number of scenarios like that. Yes or no? Agree? All are valid scenarios only, right? Come on, all are valid scenarios only, right?
Yes, bro.
Sir, now we will discuss about job scheduler. Now you know the concept, what type of scenarios we can, sir, what is the scenarios? Okay, now you got to know. Okay, you don't know about job scheduler, you can ignore. Now we will discuss about job scheduler. Okay, now I can explain easily. Sir, what is the use of, okay, if someone is going to ask you, do you know what is the use of job scheduler? What type of scenarios we can create a job schedulers? Now we can explain all these scenarios. Okay, but I will write here, sir, okay, how we can explain to them. What type of scenarios? What is the use of job scheduler? What type of details we will provide in the job schedulers? What type of details we will provide in the job schedulers and all clear and clean way I will explain here. Okay, na? Now, first one and job scheduler. So now generic way and normal way how you people need to explain an interview. Same like that I am writing here. Sir, whenever see here, whenever we want to send a reminder emails. Sir, okay, whenever you want to send a reminder emails or emails, okay, sir, now see, reminder emails means you can consider like that. You can consider it like that. Here I explained. Sir, emails about payment pending or additional information and send case information or customer data, send offer information like that. Different scenarios. Okay, now clear and send emails or purge. I'm going to write like that. Purge. Purge I'm writing, clean up active, clean up data, purge, staging table, tables, data or case data. Clear everyone? Purge means we are removing any. Okay na? Hello? Satish, okay na? And andaru okay. Sir,
Yes.
purge means we are removing and purge means we are removing and clean up activities. Okay. Sir, now we want to remove or okay, transfer the cases from one user to another user. Transfer, okay, come here, I will write, bro. Sir, now 10th, automatically okay, I want to okay transfer cases from one user to another user, or one user, okay, like that I'm like work basket to one user or work basket, like that, automatically based upon scheduled time intervals. Okay, scheduled time intervals. So now, okay, automatically transfer the cases. Okay, transfer the cases from one user, okay, or work basket to another user or work basket, or okay, resolve the cases. Resolve the cases. Okay, resolve the cases. Or okay, place a files into okay specific folder paths. Specific folder paths. Okay, or move the cases from one stage to another stage, or complete the assignments. Complete the assignments. Or now we can see here all okay, next scenario. So you place the file. Okay, whenever okay, now okay, or update. See, update. Student, update the staging table data or case data, or create a cases. Okay, not only updating, not only deleting, you can create a cases also. Create a cases also. Create a cases. Now I want to create a cases. Now come down. The next scenario. Okay, 11th scenario. Okay, update the cases, or okay, create a cases based upon scheduled time intervals. Scheduled time intervals. Sir, now here all like that mini scenario, or okay, disable operator details from system. Okay, based upon all, and see now the okay, now this one based upon see, not only this one I'm telling that okay, like that, so whatever scenarios, okay. So now see ECT, okay, like that. Now okay, whenever you want to send, okay, so now all these scenarios, okay, bracket and from here to here, here to here. Sir, now based upon, based upon okay, scheduled time intervals, based upon scheduled time intervals, then we can go for job schedulers. Okay, clear everyone? Sir, then we can go for, sir, is etc like that I updated means we can create whatever example we want like that. Whatever example we want. Similar like this one, sir, some automatic one, right? A washing machine or else start this one, start it even Uber or else Ola when you are booking a cab, for example, immediately or else we will schedule, right? Tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Now we can book today itself. Yes or no, bro? Say, come on. Say tomorrow, 6 o'clock, you want to travel to airport. What you are
Yes.
doing? Now we are scheduling, right? Exact that
Yes.
particular time they will come. Exact that even food. Today, dinner, you want to order something. Okay, at that time, you can book some based upon, say, at today at 6 o'clock, these are the items I want. These are the items I want. Similar like that. You can say similar like that. Okay, schedules means based upon scheduled time interval. Okay, then we can go for. Okay, sir, now we can go for job scheduler. What this job scheduler will do? Now, okay, I will write here. What job scheduler will do? Job scheduler will execute the student job scheduler. Now I will tell, sir, okay, in a job scheduler, are you going to write this logic? No, nothing. We are not going to do anything in a job scheduler. Job scheduler will execute the, sir, job scheduler will respond, is responsible. Okay, is responsible to execute the activity. Main thing is activity. The job scheduler is responsible to execute the activity based upon scheduled time intervals. Sir, where you are going to write a logic, bro? Now you can tell me, everyone. Sir,
In
now okay,
activity.
Inactive.
sir, now simple sir, what is my responsibility? I want to teach whatever I know the best way. Okay, the best way, whatever I know, I can teach. That's it. That is it. After that, entire depends on you, right? How you are preparing, how you are practicing. Based upon that one, whether you will get the new jobs or else different opportunities, like within the company, some different opportunities. Entire depends on you. Same job scheduler also. So now what it is doing is, so now you are specifying, I'm teaching you my responsibility, I'm teaching you. This job scheduler, what you are doing, you are specifying a time interval. You are specifying a time interval. Hey, execute this activity at 2 a.m. Execute this activity at 4 a.m. like that. And you are specifying. Okay, come on, next one, next point. And next point, in a job scheduler, in a job scheduler, we will specify the main details. We will specify the, what are the main details we will specify. Okay, we will specify the access group. Main details, access group. Come on, before access group, okay, we will specify the scheduled time intervals. Okay, we will discuss. Okay, sir, scheduled time intervals, access group, అలానే యాక్టివిటీ 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 క్లాస్ నేమ్ అండ్ యాక్టివిటీ నేమ్. మెయిన్ డీటెయిల్స్ అబ్బా సార్. యాక్టివిటీ, ఓకే, యాక్టివిటీ నేమ్. In a job, these are the some more details will specify. Main okay, sir, now how we want to, okay, I will write one more. Okay, okay, instead of writing here, I will explain. If I explain, then you can understand easily. But main thing is main details, schedule time intervals, and okay, I will write here run type. Okay, I will specify run type. Okay, right, when I'm going to explain about run, okay, when you are going to explain in an interview point of view, when you are explaining at that time in a job scheduler, what are the details we will specify? Means we will specify run type and scheduled time interval is access group. Okay, activity class name and activity name. Run type means what? Okay, when I'm going to explain, automatically at that time you can schedule time intervals means what? Okay, now I will explain about job scheduler. At that time, automatically you can explain it. Okay, sir. Now these are the main details we will specify in the job scheduler. Okay, fine. Sir, next one is sir, how to, okay, main thing is this one, and okay, how we can, how to um, trace, how to trace the job scheduler. How to trace the job scheduler. Very confidently can explain whatever scenarios now. Okay, you can create your own scenarios and then you can explain also. Okay, you can explain in interview point of view whether you created or not. You can ignore and see when you are giving the interview, sir, I didn't create, bro, even in my projects. Okay, single job scheduler also. After completion of the class, confidently you can explain to them, yes, I created job scheduler for these scenarios, like that you can say. Okay, do you know how, what are the details you specified? Yes, these are the details I specified in the job schedulers. Confidently can say. Do you know how to trace the job scheduler? Yes, I know. Okay, this is the we can trace like that. That's it. If you didn't create, also explain clearly. Yes, I created in my projects. Check whoever is working employee, check in our projects. Okay, what type of scenarios they created. Just you can check, that's it. Confidently can say. Now I will explain what are the options are available. Okay, so don't say that I didn't create a job schedulers, I didn't create a queue browser, I didn't work on integration like that in interviews. Don't explain like that. If you don't have also, no one will take you. These are the main concepts. Sir, I worked on only, I created only data pages, I created only report definition, I modified only sections, I modified only UI related things, I created the data transform, that's it. These 4 years. Is it fine to explain only those things? No one will take you. No one will take you. They will expect all. Okay, why? Because whatever new opportunity you will get in that company, you will get the opportunities. If we give the opportunity, whether they can work or not, they want to check like that. For that purpose, only people will ask you. Okay, now you can say if you are not creating also. Okay, how we can trace the job scheduler? Directly we cannot trace it. Okay, directly means from admin, from app studio. Okay, from app studio, sorry, from, okay, dev studio, we have a tracer is our, okay, tracer is available, right? We cannot trace directly like that. Okay, we cannot trace directly like that. Okay, sir, now here you can see how, okay, how we can trace the job scheduler. It means from admin studio. Okay, first point, from admin studio. Okay, studio, we can, okay, trace the job scheduler.
Can you write a complete path, Arjun, for job scheduler admin
No, no,
studio
no, I will
after
write.
that?
Wait. I will write one by one, one by one. I will write here. Don't worry. Sir, from admin studio, we can trace the job scheduler. Okay, here. Okay, it's not completed. Okay. So now here, okay, explanation. Okay, from admin studio, just like a single answer you can give. Sir, from okay, admin studio, we can trace the job scheduler. Okay, now what is the navigation? Okay, so now see step number one. Step number one. Go to admin studio. Go to admin studio and click on resources tab. Sir, go to admin studio and click on resources tab. Okay. Sir, now step number two. Step number two. After that, okay, select jobs. Select the jobs. Sir, select the jobs or else click on jobs. Click on jobs. So now we can see the list of job schedulers are running in our application. Like explain like that. Try to explain the all, and then no one will think you don't have any experience like that. Okay, sir, from admin studio we can trace the job studio, or go to the admin studio, click on resource. There we can see the resource tab. After that, you can click on jobs. Now we can see the list of job schedulers running in our application, or else available in our application. Available in our application. After that, step number 3. Step number 3. Select whatever. Okay, whatever job scheduler we want to trace. We want to trace or debug. Sir, why you will debug, bro? Why today they didn't get any reminder email? Cases are not resolved. Cases are not withdrawing. Cases are not moving from one stage to another stage. Cases are not completing. Even the days completed also. At that time, we need to debug, right? Ganesh, Vinod, Santikumar?
Yes, bro.
Yes, sir.
It's not working. We
Okay.
have to check it.
What happened? ఈ రోజు వెంకటేష్ కి సైలెంట్ లో ఉన్నాడు. ఫెస్టివల్
లేదు అర్జున్ ఇంతవరకు
నేను అంత డెల్ గా ఉన్నా బ్రో. నేను చూడలేకపోతున్నా. ఏదో ఒక రెస్పాన్స్ ఇచ్చేవాడు ఎవరి క్లాస్ లో. ఓకే
Yes,
ఫైన్.
bro. He's calm today.
అదే ఏదో సంథింగ్ ఏదో అయింది అయితే. ఓకే, డోంట్ వరీ బ్రో. కమ్ అవుట్ ఫ్రమ్ దోస్ పర్సనల్ ఇష్యూస్. అందరికీ ఉంటాయి లైఫ్లో. ఓకే సరే. ఓకే, వాట్ ఎవర్ జాబ్ షెడ్యూలర్స్ we want to trace or debug. Okay, debug. We need to select that particular job scheduler and click on trace. Click on trace. From this trace we have options are available. Okay, options are available. What option? Now go to the admin studio and go here, click on trace on cluster. Like that you can select. Now see, okay, go to the okay, say go to the admin. From admin studio, click on resources tab. Okay, click on resources tab. After that, click on jobs. After that, so now we can see the list of job schedulers are running in our application. Okay, so now here you can see the jobs running in our application. Okay, so now see, these are the list of job schedulers. Okay, explanation. So job average time. Okay, last finished time, next time, execution, success, state. Sir, now here, okay, sir, now click on trace means click on 3 dotted symbols. I will write like that. Click on 3 dotted symbols. 3 dots. Click on 3 dots symbols. Okay, so now next one, click on 3 dotted symbol. Select. Okay, trace on cluster. That's it. Okay, this is the way to trace. Okay, so now we can explain. This is the job scheduler name. Okay, this is the job scheduler name, and average time means how much time it is taking to execute the activity. Whatever activity you are calling in a job scheduler, how much time it is taking to execute that activity. Okay, how much time it is taking to execute the activity. Okay, sir, now here, when it is finished, for example, job scheduler, okay, started. Okay, what time it is, it will run next time when it will start. Okay, current one, when it is stopped, how much time it is taking to execute this activity. How much time it is taking to execute this activity, when it is completed, when it will execute next time, when it will execute, how many times it is executed, what is the success rate. For example, 4651 times it is executed, 4651 times it is successed, there is no issues, means okay, now it is updated 100% success rate. Sir, now if is there any failure, now come here. Okay, is there any failure here? Okay, so now here you can see. Okay, zero failure means 80, 90, 70 like that you can see. Sir, now in case if you want to know, if you click this one here, you can see. Okay, sir, now here we can see what is the okay. Sir, now success, what node? Okay, what is the status? Why it failed? If it is failed, here you can see the failed. Which node it is executed? Which node it is executed, and how much time it is taking, when it is ended, when it is started, when it is started, when it is ended, what is the okay runtime, what is the runtime, which node it is executed, and what is the status. Here we can see. Okay, so now if you click on this execution time, and then enable and state, remember, and enabled and override. Enabled means currently enabled. Enabled means this job scheduler is running. Currently, this job scheduler is running. Enabled. Okay, enabled means currently this job scheduler is running. Okay, so now here you can see. Okay, for example, here I will click this one disabled. You can see few of the okay, job schedulers I disabled. Sir, now generate SBI file. Sir, now disabled. Disabled means if you are able, if you are seeing this disabled means, oh, this job scheduler is not running, mean running. Okay, na everyone. Enabled or disabled means, now here you can see again. I'm going to click some different one, enabled. Okay, we will create and then we can stop, or else we can start. Sorry, whenever you want to stop, or whenever you want to delete, whenever you want to stop, or whenever you want to disable, sorry, not delete, whenever you want to disable. For example, okay, get order details. In the get order details, it is executed at 2352. Sir, now I want to stop this one. For example, your team lead or your LSA told, hey, could you please stop this job scheduler? Go to the admin studio, come here, okay, come here, click on resources, jobs, and then whatever job scheduler. Here you have an option. What job scheduler you want to, okay, what job scheduler you want to stop. Sir, now I want to stop this job scheduler. Sir, now I want to stop this job scheduler. Select that particular job scheduler. Select that particular job scheduler. Select that particular job scheduler. They asked you to stop. Just click on override. Click on override. Okay, when you're going to click on override, okay, so now here options are available: enabled and overridden. Whenever you want to stop, click on overridden. Overridden. So now this job scheduler is stopped. Now it will not, now disabled. It will not execute. In case, sir, again I want to restart. My lead told previously I stopped. Now I want to restart that job scheduler. Sir, now again, sir, now I want to restart this job scheduler. Again, if you click on revert, now it will enable. Okay, now how we can enable, how we can disable job schedulers, how we can stop means. Okay, now everyone.
Yes, bro.
Okay, clear. So now see, now this is the way we can start. This is the way we can. So now I want to debug. So now click on three dot symbols and trace. Okay, click on trace. Click this one. So now click on trace. So now it will trace if that activity is executing. Okay, sir. Now when we can select this one is exact time. Now you can see here. Sir, now whatever activity. Sir, whatever activity is okay, called. Now it is executing, right? That activity here. Hello. Sir, whatever activity AE iPhone, American Express iPhone, card iPhone, that activity is executed or not? Everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, now, okay, why we are debugging? Sir, now, if it is not able to place that file, okay, sir, cases are not transferring. You are not getting emails. Okay, for that purpose, we will trace this one. Okay, this is the way we can trace, or this is the way we can enable or disable. Okay, this is the way. Okay, now in case if you want to debug, so you can debug like that. After that, if is there any other issues, their common way to debug is we will check in the logs. In activity, if you are capturing the logs, at that time you can check job scheduler started, job scheduler ended. Okay, now hey, this job scheduler activity executed or not, how we will get to know? In activity, you can write those log messages. At that time, we will get to know my job scheduler is started at this particular time, ended at this particular time. Like that, we can debug. Like that, we can debug. Okay. So now see here. Okay, 1 minute. Wait. 1 minute and a charger. Okay, fine. Okay. So now see. Okay, now same like that here also. Okay, this one we will get like only file users and email users. Okay, you can ignore. Okay, now see here also how to stop or disable. Go to the admin studio, click this one. Okay, instead of okay, but to select that particular job scheduler, click on. Uh, uh, if you want to stop or disable, right? Okay, if you want to stop the job scheduler. Okay, you need to select that particular job scheduler and okay, click on overridden.
So there's
Okay,
no option of deleting those job schedulers, right?
no, bro. Okay, we will delete from admin studio. Okay, app studio. Okay, sorry, dev studio only, bro.
Okay.
Okay, na? I will tell you. Generally, instead of deleting, there is one more way is available. I will tell you. Okay, na? Permanently, if you don't want. Generally, okay. Even I told previously also, right? When you are moving any rule into the production, okay, we will not touch. If it is not required, also we will not touch, bro. That one. Okay. Either you can withdraw that rule. That's it. Okay,
Okay.
but don't delete. Don't delete. Okay, override. Click on override to okay, disable the okay disable or stop the job scheduler. Okay, sir. Next point. Okay, or sir, if you want to start job scheduler, we need to select that particular job. We click on revert. Revert. Click on revert to start the job scheduler. Okay, now and everyone is clear. Okay, now we will, sir, what is the navigation we will follow to create a job scheduler? Go to Records Explorer. Okay, create, create, come on. Okay, sysadmin and a job scheduler. Okay, this is the navigation we will follow to create a job scheduler. So now what I will do is first I will explain, okay, what are the options are available in a job scheduler. Go here. Go to the Records Explorer and click on expand this one. Come down. Okay, now here you can see the job scheduler. So now I'm going to create a job scheduler. Okay, so simple name I'm giving. Whatever name you want to give, you can give. Okay, now I'm giving a sample like that. First I will explain. Click on create and open. Okay. Sorry, what are the configuration? Okay, what are the details? People will ask you. Okay. Hey, what are the details you will provide in a job scheduler? Like that, people will ask you. What are the details you will provide in a job scheduler? Like that, people will ask you. Okay. Now come here. We will discuss now. So now see previously, okay, I think Vora, you asked it, right? Hey bro, is it possible to delete? Why you want to delete? General, okay, generally, bro. Why I'm asking? Why you want means permanently, bro? I don't want to execute by mistakenly someone is enabled.
Yeah.
Okay, then it will be issue. Okay, right? For that purpose only, right? You asked. Come on, by mistakenly
Yeah.
someone clicked on riveted, then it will enable and then it will do some activity. Okay, whatever
Yes.
activity logic you written, it will execute and then it will impact. Okay, means
Yes.
for example, if you create a job scheduler, permanently you want to stop. Permanently, if you want to stop job scheduler, you can click on this one and now you can click on this one. Click. So now what is this? Okay, toggle icon is whenever you want to enable or disable job scheduler. Whenever you want to enable or disable job scheduler, Sir, just we can click on, means enabled means this job scheduler will execute. Once you deployed into other environment, okay, sir, now see, for example, enabled, and then the job scheduler you deployed into other environment, automatically job scheduler will start. Clear, bro? Sir, now if it is, sir, now I disabled and then I deployed into SAT, UAT, pre-prod and production environment means after completion of the deployment, manually you need to go to the admin studio and then start. It depends, whatever your lead is going to suggest you. Permanently, please enable this job scheduler when you are deploying before itself. Yes, you can do like that. Just you can, okay, click on this one and then whatever time you are scheduling, okay, that particular time the job scheduler will execute. That particular time the job scheduler will execute. Okay, remember this point. Enable job scheduler. Enable job scheduler. So now here enable and
Arjun,
disable means
uh,
yes.
for this job scheduler also we have a rule availability. I mean, available or withdrawn the rule.
Yeah, yes,
So
yes. Whatever question you ask, okay,
that
now
is
you ask, right?
that is
Permanently.
the I mean, whatever the rules we are doing for other rules, I mean,
Hmm.
withdrawn or blocked,
Hmm.
so we can do for these also
Yes, yes,
best way, right? So,
yes, yes.
I
We
mean,
can.
I
Okay,
just
I will. No, no, no. We can withdraw like that. I will tell you whatever he asked by mistakenly. Even I disabled this one. I disabled by mistakenly. If someone is going to start from admin studio, it will start, bro. Even here you
yeah,
disabled
definitely
also. You got it right.
correct. Yeah,
Okay,
got
by
it.
mistakenly, even if,
Yeah,
sir, I
that's why I'm
disabled, right?
asking.
Ah, yeah, I disabled. Even if someone is going to start from admin studio, it will start.
Yeah,
Okay, for
correct.
that purpose only they gave. Hey, now we can withdraw like that. You can withdraw this
Yeah,
one. It will not execute. Okay, then?
yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay. Next one,
And
sir. Okay, yes.
if we can enable, disable job scheduler from admin studio and from rule also, what is the difference between this and that?
Sir, okay, this one is by mistake. Okay, for example, and now you written the logic to place a file or else to transfer the cases immediately. Okay, so now whatever logic you are going to write in a activity, okay, whatever logic you are going to write in activity, sir, that logic once you deployed, automatically, okay, automatically your job scheduler will execute, that activity will execute, and whatever logic you implemented, automatically, what it will do? It will execute and it will perform those actions, right? Akila? It will perform those
I think
actions or not? Okay.
Arjun, I think here we are a disabled job scheduler. I think it will not show admin studio, correct? That job
Okay.
scheduler.
No, no, no. I will tell you 1 minute. I will tell you, bro. Sir, now, no, no, it will show only. Okay. Sir, now see here. Sir, once I, okay, disable, okay, you deployed, but, sir, now you do, after completion of the deploy, okay, after completion of the deployment, automatically your job scheduler will execute. Okay, now automate. For example, your job scheduler activity, you written some sensitive logic. Immediately, you don't want to start. You want to check some of the things. After all checks are completed, then only you want to then only you want to enable. What you will do now, Akila? After completion of the deployment, every checks completed, then only you want to enable.
We will enable the job
Sir, now,
scheduler.
okay, when you are deploying itself, you are enable automatically. It will start your job scheduler activity, and then it will perform, right? Come on,
Yes, yes, yes.
you
Yes.
got it. Sir, now if you disable and deploy, it will not start automatically. If you enable and deploy automatically, it will start and okay. That is entire depends on your scenario. Okay, I'm giving a reason. Okay, next one is always right. Depends. Okay, whatever data, right? For example, you are sending some customer information immediately. Okay, now whatever logic you written, it will pick those cases and then it will send immediately. I don't want to send. Okay, I want to check all proper health checks. After that only want to enable for safer side. At that time what we will do, we will disable and then we will move into the production and then we will enable car else some of the things. Sir, now I am rechecking, okay, my activity itself for new cases only. Okay, now it will execute and then it will process. Then confidently you can enable when you are deploying itself. Akila, yes or no? For new cases or else whatever new request we are processing, Okay, at that time, okay, we are, okay, this logic we are implementing. Then you can enable and then you can okay, you can deploy, right? Sir, now this one you can say that permanently you are disabling, okay, from rule level, Akila. Permanently you are enabling from rule level. Sir, even you enabled, okay, from here you can disable or okay, enable, right? Admin Studio.
Yes, yes, actually.
Sir, now this one rule level, in case permanently want to disable and enable, you can do this one. Okay. Sir, now here associated with the node
Say,
types.
uh, we have job scheduler in dev and test and stage environment. So I want to run the particular job scheduler in test environment only. Then can we disable job scheduler from rule in remaining two environments?
Sorry, different ways. You want to run means, okay, directly you can okay, here itself you can disable, right, in that particular environment. Admin Studio. Hello.
Okay, from admin studio we can do that. I'm asking, can we disable in rule itself in remaining two environments?
One of the, okay, see, job scheduler. Okay, I will tell you one more. I will tell you one more way. Sir, when I explained about clipboard at that time, one of the property. Sir, this, okay, which environment you are pointing? Which environment you are pointing? In clipboard, we have one property is available. Sir, based upon this one, you can disable or, okay, disable means it will not execute. See, job scheduler means what it will do. Okay, it will call the your activity. So job scheduler. 1 minute. Sir, now which node? Okay, which, okay, environment you are pointing? Which environment you are pointing? Production level
Production
2.
level too.
Sir,
Test
now see, now
environment.
in a activity, whatever activity I am going to call in a job scheduler, okay, based upon that condition, I will not execute. Hello? Clear? Akila? Sir, now whether that activity will execute, if I specify the condition, production level equal to 3, then don't execute, then don't execute, remaining all, then it will not execute, right?
Okay, in activity itself we will write that logic,
We
right?
will
If
write
we
a
want.
but job scheduler will see what we are doing. Job scheduler, nothing. This activity only main thing is this activity will execute based upon your schedule time. Okay, na? Sir, like that we will implement. Sir, otherwise, what we will do? Go to that specific environment and then you can stop. Direct only, right? డైరెక్ట్లీ యూ కెన్ స్టాప్ రైట్ అఖిల. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఓన్లీ ఎస్ఐటీలోనే రన్ చేయాలి బ్రో, మిగతా ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్లో నాకు రన్ కాకూడదు అనుకుంటే గో టు దట్ పర్టికులర్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ అండ్ స్టాప్. సార్ నో బ్రో, ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు డూ లైక్ దట్, ఆటోమేటిక్లీ ఐ వాంట్ టు డూ. ఆటోమేటిక్గా చేయాలనుకుంటే యాక్టివిటీలో ఆ కండిషన్ పెట్టేస్తాయి, ఆ యాక్టివిటీ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ కాదు. అర్థమవుతుందండి?
Okay, actually.
ఓకే. Okay, next one. Sir, now what are the background jobs? All are these background jobs only. And okay, background jobs. Okay, whatever, right? Now we are whatever job should, okay, like file listeners, email listener, queue processors, okay, job schedulers, all are background jobs. Okay, what node type these job schedulers or queue processor or file listeners or email listeners will run background processing node type. Okay, in this node type, this job scheduler will execute. Indirectly, they will ask you, do you know what are the different background jobs are available? Background jobs are available. Do you know what are the different background jobs? You know, like that people will ask you. At that time, you need to say that, okay, I know job scheduler, I know queue processor, I know file listener, I know email listener, like that you need to say. Okay, what is the node type? The job schedulers will execute on background processing node type. And next one, run on. Okay, now I told run a type, right? Run type means run on. Okay, need to specify run on. Run on means, okay, all associated nodes. Okay, so now this one also carefully, okay, when we are configuring this one, you need to check with your team lead and LSA, or else open existing job scheduler and then you can configure this one. Depends. And what do you mean is this one is dev environment, SIT environment, pre-prod environment, we will maintain only one node only. Only one node only we will maintain. Okay, we will maintain means if you select okay, all associated nodes or any associated node, Okay, any associated node, or else all associated means it will run on only one node only. One node only. Okay, you have Debian environment available. In the Debian environment also only one node. SIT also one node. UAT also one node. Only one node only it will execute. In a production, okay, we will maintain a different nodes. We will maintain a okay, different nodes under. Okay, we will maintain a different nodes. For example, your production environment is running on 10 nodes, 8 nodes. Okay, if you select this all associated nodes means 10 nodes, this job scheduler will execute. Clear? What I am telling is for load balancing purpose, what we will do is we will maintain a different nodes in our production environment. 5, 10 depends on customers. Okay, so depends on the customer, depends on the data. What we will do is we will maintain a different nodes right here in the production. Okay, if you have a multiple nodes are available, each node it will execute. Okay, my practice, my best okay way point of view is select when you are creating any job scheduler, select only any associated node, any associated. My best practices point of view, always you can select any associated node. So now if you are selecting all associated modes means at the time more we will get this so many lock errors. Lock errors. Okay, say agent, okay, agent activity will run on all the nodes. Okay, so same case trying to update, same record trying to process, same record multiple nodes are trying to delete, we will get the issues. To avoid that type of things, what we will do is, so now we will select the any associated node. Okay, sorry, entire this one is entire depends on your project, how you people are handling. Just you can open the existing job scheduler and then you can select whether you want to run on only this type of things you can ask. Okay, sir, whether you want to run on only one node or any associated node. Sir, no, multiple times you want to process the cases. Okay, fine. Then you can select the all the nodes or any associated nodes. Next one is the scheduled. Sir, whatever I explained here in a notepad, sir, based upon scheduled time interval. Okay, so now if you want to send emails, if you want to purge the data, if you want to move the cases, if you want to resolve the cases, you want to update the cases, you want to delete the cases, you want to create a cases based upon time intervals, sir, based upon the time intervals, then okay, we can go for okay job schedulers like that I told. Okay, now see what time you want to do this one multiple times a day. First option is multiple times a day. Okay, multiple times a day means sir every day, every okay, every 1 hour, every 2 hours you want to run, every 3 hours you want to run. Okay, this activity you want, okay, whatever logic you are going to write in the activity, that logic need to execute every 1 hour, every 2 hours, every 5 minutes, every 10 seconds, every okay 15 minutes, every sir whatever time you want to specify, whether you want to specify minutes. So now if I'm going to specify like that, every 5 minutes whatever activity you are going to call here, that activity will execute automatically. Sir, now if I give the 5 minutes means this activity will execute automatically every 5 minutes. Sir, now if I'm going to give like hours, 5 hours. Sir, now every 5 hours this activity will execute. Sir, now if I'm going to give seconds, every 5 seconds this activity will execute. Whatever logic you are going to write in the activity, that logic will execute. Automatically it will execute. Okay, clear everyone? Sir, okay, sir, now here multiple times a day. Within the day, if you want to execute multiple times, then okay, every 5 hours or every 2 hours or every 10 minutes, whatever time interval you want to select, you can select. Next one is the daily. Sir, multiple times a day. Sir, within the day, I want to run only one day, one time. Okay, within the day, I want to run only one day. Sir, one time means now see here, what time you want to execute. Sir, every day, one time, okay, every weekday, only weekdays only I want to run. You can select this one. Every day, sir, now I want to run this job scheduler. Okay, you can select this one. Every weekday, I want to run this one. You can select this one. And then what time you want to execute. Sir, every day at 4 a.m., every day at 3 a.m., every day at okay 6 a.m., every day at 10 a.m. Okay, now you want to run your job scheduler activity, then you can specify the okay, this one is hours, minutes, and time. Okay, PM or else AM. After that, time zone. USA, okay, it depends. Now your client, okay, belongs to UK or Netherlands or else Switzerland or else USA, Japan, Germany. Okay, you need to select that particular time zone. Okay, select the particular time zones. Select that particular time zone and then you can specify. What it will do is, see, for example, if I'm going to select like that, every day, sir, every day at okay 12:30 a.m. it will execute and 12:30 p.m. it will execute. Okay, everyone is clear now. See, now I'm going to specify like IST. What it will do is every day at 12:30 p.m. this activity will execute. Sir, now or now you can select the weekly. Sir, every week. Sir, now what days now you want to execute? Sir, now every Monday and Thursday I want to execute my job scheduler activity. Sir, no bro, my whatever activity I am calling, I want to execute that activity only Saturday and Sunday only at this particular time. This particular time now I want to execute. Now we can specify like that. Sir, now I want to execute my job scheduler only Friday. You can select this one. Weekly basis. Sir, we can run the, I will write here. Okay, sir, okay, I will write. Sir, we can run the job scheduler activities. Now see, weekly basis now. Weekly basis. Sir, monthly basis. Sir, every day. Sir, every first day of, see, first day of first month. Sir, now I want, okay, sir, now see, day first of every month. Every month. So now what do you want? In this particular time I want to execute. Or else first day, second day, third day, fourth day, and last day of. So now weekdays or month. So now we can see this month. Every month. Sir, every first day of, okay, every first day of, or every first Friday of that particular month. I want to execute. Every first day of okay Monday, I want to execute my job scheduler activity. So now our second Monday of first month. So now you want to execute monthly basis. You can select based on these time intervals. Business will tell you. Sir, now see here. Next one is you need to ask, sir, yearly basis. Yearly. Okay, when you want to execute. Okay, when you want to execute, whether you want to execute, okay, January, February. Sir, now I want to execute this one. Every May, sir, now every May or first day or second day. Sir, second day. Sir, now whatever days now, okay, yearly basis now you want to execute. Okay, yearly basis now what day you want to execute, you can specify. Okay, what day now you want to execute, now you can specify that time interval. So now whatever time now time interval now you want to specify, you can specify. And so now see here, I'm going to write here job scheduler. Okay, we can run the job scheduler activity based upon multiple times times a day or daily or weekly or yearly. Okay, sir, yearly. Sir, now here this basis now we can run this one. And okay, sir, now how we want to execute, you can specify the start date and okay, time zone. Next one is context. Okay, interview point of view, people will ask you, sir, what is the use of this context? What is the use of this context? Like that people will ask you. Sir, now here, okay, sir, now either you can use the system runtime context or else you can specify the access group. Sir, in our real-time projects, how we will do is, sir, all the job schedulers, not only job scheduler, all background processing jobs, for that purpose, what we will do is we will create a separate access group. That access group we will specify. That access group we will specify. Sir, now your job scheduler, okay, for example, sir, okay, when you are logging into the application based upon your access group, so based upon your access group, Pega, it will call rules at the runtime. Agree, Vinod Kumar or Ganesh? Agree? Sir, based
Yeah,
upon
I
your
agree.
access group,
Where's
when
the
you, okay,
access?
Sir,
access the application.
okay, bro, how job scheduler will know, bro, what rules need to execute, what application need to call this role, what class need to call this role? How job scheduler will know? Background processing job, right? Automatically need to run that rules. How job scheduler will know, "Arey, this is the activity need to call from this application rule set, this application class, this application version," like that. How job scheduler will know based upon the access group? Okay, na? What is the use of access group? Hmm. Sir, what is the use of access group?
The access.
Only those people will have access to
No.
doing
This
any.
one, what is, no. This one is okay. Sir, now based upon the access group,
It can identify the rules, which rules they have to
hmm,
execute.
it will call the rules in Pega application. Sir, now, okay, see, specifically whatever activity you are calling, sir, now based upon the access group, it will call the rules. Okay, it will call the rules from Pega application. From Pega application. Sir, whatever activity you are calling, that activity, what application need to call? So now whatever activity we are calling, that activity will okay call based upon your access group. Agree? Sir, same activity is available in X application, Y application, X class and
Yeah,
Y
I
class.
mean, here we have a multiple application, so whatever application we need to uh, do these job
This
schedulers.
one.
So from
In this
uh,
application, what access group? Okay,
correct,
what this access group will do? Access group is pointing to come on, application.
particular
Application is pointing to list of rule sets.
rule sets.
List of rules.
Yeah.
ఇంకా చెప్పాలంటే ఇంకా will write access group is responsible to call the job scheduler activity from Pega application at the runtime. Agree, bro? Now, okay, na? Now we can explain like that, right? At the runtime. Sir, now we can see explanation. Okay, sir, now see here. Now, okay, generally in our projects, okay, we will specify the access group. And sir, runtime context means, sir, now what is this runtime context means? Now here, sir, when I'm going to save this one, your system runtime context. Sir, now access group level, in the access group level, what we will do, we are specifying and, okay, now see here, see, okay, access group level, okay, you are specifying application. Okay, now see, open access group. Now I'm opening this one. Okay, this is the access group. So now this access group is pointing to application. This application pointing to rule sets. Whatever rule sets are available, this rule sets, okay, at the runtime it will consider and then it will call the rule. Your job scheduler activity, in that activity, whatever rules we are calling, okay, those all rules it will automatically, okay, automatically it will call based upon this access. It means it is authenticating. You can say like that. Okay, same like that. Okay, when you are saving, okay, when you are saving this one, right? This application context, system runtime context means application context. Current in this application, whatever versions it is pointing, whatever versions application context, system runtime context means whatever versions it is pointing your current application, that application context base, this job scheduler activity will execute. Okay, once I saved this one, at the time I will open, then you will get to know. Okay, you will get to know. Okay, one of the job scheduler I will create, like if you select this one based upon this application context basis, application runtime context, application runtime context, it will execute your job scheduler. Okay, so now mostly we will specify the access group, a specific access group, whatever access group, either more people will specify your administrator access group. Okay, they will create one access group, that access group people will specify. Next one is the class name and activity. Sir, now what activity you want to execute? What activity you want to execute? We need to specify that activity name. Sir, now we need to specify that activity name. Sir, now activity name, that activity, what class that activity is available, we will specify. Okay. Next one is the alert configuration. Alert configuration. Here you can see long running jobs threshold. Sir, when this one also important one. Okay, this one also generally we will not increase in case if a large amount of data you are processing, large amount of data you are updating. Sometimes what it will do is if it is exceeded more than this 10 seconds or specific time, if it is exceeded at that time in the back end, it will create a Pega alerts. Just like it will create alerts. So now when it is creating alerts, people will panic, right? Array, some alerts are running, means alerts if it is executing, means there is some performance issue or like that, people will think or not. Come on. Yes or no, bro? Okay, if some alerts triggering at that time, people will think like that, right? What we will do is, sir, now if you want to increase the time intervals, this one, if you want to increase the time intervals, you can specify the time intervals also. Sir, now we can increase. Sir, now I don't want to capture the alerts, okay, within this 10 seconds itself. 10 seconds I want to increase, means you can increase. This is not a mandatory to increase, and remember, this is not a mandatory to increase. Depends, okay, depends on your data and all. In case if you want to increase, you can increase. Sir, now what I will do is I will create a one job scheduler activity. Sir, any logic, whatever logic now you want to write, we can write in a job scheduler activity, and then you can execute. Okay, quickly I will create. Now I will show you critically everyone. Any questions?
Arjun, I have one doubt.
Yes.
ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ నా ప్రొడక్షన్ సర్వర్స్ ఒక 2 ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి. ఒకటి ఇండియాలో, ఒకటి యూరోప్‌లో. బట్ నా జాబ్ షెడ్యూల్ ఎవ్రీ డే 9 AM కి రన్ అవ్వాలి. బట్ ఇండియా టైమింగ్స్ డిఫరెంట్ అండ్ యూరోప్ 9 AM డిఫరెంట్ కదా! అవి ఎలా చేస్తాం?
Okay, again repeat.
ఇప్పుడు నాకు 2 ప్రొడక్షన్ సర్వర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఒక సర్వర్ వచ్చేసి ఇండియాలో ఉంది. ఒక సర్వర్ వచ్చేసి యూరోప్‌లో ఉంది. బట్ ఎవ్రీ డే నాకు 9 AM కి జాబ్ షెడ్యూలర్ రన్ అవ్వాలి. ఇండియా టైం ప్రకారం 9 AM కి రన్ అవుతుంది. బట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్ 9 AM యూరోప్ టైమింగ్స్ డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటది కదా! అదే 9 AM కి నాకు యూరోప్‌లో కూడా రన్ అవ్వాలి. అలా ఎలా?
Okay. Sir, now here, super, ante. Sir, now whatever previously Akila asked, similar question only, you only. Sir, now, sir, my job schedule, I don't want to execute, okay, my SIT environment, dev environment, I want to execute only in the pre-prod environment. Sir, now I told, hey, go and, okay, go and stop that one. Okay, stop that one from admin studio. No, automatically I want. Sir, now in a activity, sir, in a job scheduler activity, condition basis we will execute. Similar way here also. Sir, now what we will do, sir, finally if your job scheduler is executing also, is there any issue, bro? No, right? If that activity is executing, then there is a issue. Agreed, Venkatesh, whatever you asked the question. Sir, now what I will do, condition basis, time zone, if this time zone, okay, if this time zone and current time is 9, then you can execute activity. Otherwise, don't execute. That activity will not execute, right, Venkatesh?
Yes, Arjun. Yeah. But based on the time interval, job schedule will be woke up na, Arjun.
అది ఓకే. నీకు జాబ్ షెడ్యూలర్ ఒక డమ్మీగా రన్ అయితే ఏమన్నా ఏమి యూజ్ ఉంది? నీకేమన్నా ఇష్యూవా? థింక్. See, job scheduler is running a dummy. Okay, nothing, right? If activity is executed, then only you got the issue, right, sir? You will get the issue, right, bro?
Yeah, yes.
నువ్వు జాబ్ షెడ్యూలర్ని కంట్రోల్ చేయలేవు, ఎందుకంటే నువ్వు యూ షెడ్యూల్ ఎట్ 9. ఓకే, ఇలాంటివి అడిగితే చెప్పండి. నీకు జాబ్ షెడ్యూలర్ రన్ అవ్వటం వల్ల పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు, బ్రో. దాంట్లో యాక్టివిటీని మనం కంట్రోల్ చేయగలిగితే చాలు, కండిషన్ బేసిస్గా. ఓకే సార్, నౌ దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ జాబ్. ఎస్,
condition in activity, right?
In activity, first step itself before your logic. Sir, before your logic itself, first step itself. Here people will ask you, and sometimes what they will do is okay, కొన్ని scenarios చెప్తాను చూడండి. Sir, people will ask you, my okay Arjun, my job scheduler need different approaches అండి. Okay, my job scheduler need to execute, bro. Here you can see every 5 hours, every 3 hours, every 2 hours, every 10 minutes, every day, every month, every month, like that. We have options, right, bro? My job scheduler morning at 9 a.m. need to execute. Alane evening at 5 a.m., 5 p.m. I want to execute, bro. Like that, people will ask you interview point of view. Okay, na everyone? Sir, now I want to execute my job scheduler. Okay, morning at 9 and evening at 5 a.m. At that time, there are two different approaches and it depends on developer. Okay, developer thinking and depends on your lead. Sir, now here what we will do is nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. I'm telling. Sir, work I will create two job schedulers and then one I will schedule at 9 and another one I will schedule at 5. Whatever you asked, okay, Venkatesh, sir, okay, Europe time zone basis I will create one job scheduler and India basis I will create one job scheduler, then it will execute on that particular time. Yes or no, bro? Different approaches I'm telling. Sir, now see here, like that we can define. Yes or no? Hello? Two different job schedulers we will create and then we will manage. Agree or not?
Yes, yes,
Sir, interview point of view, if they ask, please explain like that, sir. Okay, you want to execute morning at 9 and evening at 5 o'clock. Okay, I will create a two job scheduler. In case if they ask you, no, I don't want like that. In case, see, generally we will do like that. I also did like that. Sir, depends on the experience and all. Okay, what we will do is a different way also we can do. Sir, no. Okay, my interviewer will ask, right? In different ways they will ask. No, no, I don't want to create a two job scheduler, single job scheduler yourself. I want to execute morning at 9 and evening at 5. Just we can rethink. Okay, morning at 5, evening at 5. Okay, sir, in activity, sir, execution is different and how many times your job scheduler will execute, it will execute only. Okay, if you create a two, it will exact at 9 a.m. it will execute. Another job scheduler, exactly it will execute like that. Sir, no, I don't want single job scheduler. Is a single job scheduler is sir, whatever approach I told, I will check the current time. Current time, from that time, I will take the 9. If 9, if it is 9. Sir, if it is a 9, then execute. If it is a 5, then execute. That logic I will write in the activity. Yes or no, Akila? Yes or no? Santakumar? Satish, Ganesh, చెప్పండి.
అర్జున్ లైక్ ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సేమ్ కండిషన్ లోనే మనం ముందైతే జాబ్ రన్ అవ్వాలి. సో జాబ్ అనేది ఒక స్పెసిఫిక్ 9 AM కి రన్ అయింది. సో మనం కండిషన్ యాక్టివిటీలో ఇచ్చేది ఈవినింగ్ 6 కి ఓకే అయితే ఆ టైం కి ఆ కరెంట్ టైం కి రన్
నేను
అవ్వాలి.
ప్రాక్టికల్ గా చూపిస్తాను బ్రో. ప్రాక్టికల్ గా చూపిస్తే ఈ పీపుల్ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ దిస్ వన్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇది ఇంపార్టెంట్ సినారియో కావున సార్ నథింగ్ యువర్ జాబ్ షెడ్యూలర్ విల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ ఎవ్రీ డే ఎవ్రీ
అంటే
1 hour.
మై క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ అంటే ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ జాబ్ రన్ అయ్యేది మార్నింగ్ 6 AM అనుకోండి అర్జున్. సో లైక్ ఆ టైంలోనే కదా రన్ అవుద్ది. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇచ్చింది యాక్టివిటీలో లాజిక్ అనేది 9 PM కి ఇస్తే సో
అందుకే కదా
9 PM
అలా
టైం
అలా ఎలా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయింది బ్రో? ఇప్పుడు 6 AM కి 9 ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ కాదు కదా, ఇట్స్ రాంగ్ రైట్.
సో అదే రాంగ్ అదే సో అందుకోసమనే మనం కండిషన్ బేస్ లో ఇస్తే అది సాటిస్ఫై అవ్వదు కదా ఇన్ రియల్ టైమ్ లో.
నేను చెప్తా నీకు చూపిస్తాను కండిషన్. ఓకే, ఇవన్నీ ప్రాక్టికల్ గా మనం డిస్కస్ చేయాల్సిందే. నేను ఈ రోజు ఎక్కువ టైం తీసుకుంటానండి. ఓకే, ఐ కెన్ క్లోజ్ విత్ ఇన్ 30 minutes లో కూడా క్లోజ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఒక సింపుల్ గా బాబు జాబ్ షెడ్యూలర్ నథింగ్, ఇలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తాము, ఇలా చేస్తాము, ఇలా పెట్టేయచ్చు. కాకపోతే ఏంటంటే మీరు ఇంటర్వ్యూ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలా. ఈ పీపుల్ నీడ్ టు క్లియర్ ఆల్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్. ఆల్ అప్రోచెస్ ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ బేస్డ్ అపాన్ మై ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐ డన్. Okay, I'm telling this one. If I'm telling wrong also, just you can correct yourself if you know. అరే ఇతను ఇలా చెప్పాడు కదా, ఓకే ఇలా 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 కూడా మా ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ లో చేశారు అనుకుంటే ఓకే దెన్ ఫైన్. బికాస్ ఐ డోంట్ నో వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐ నో డిఫరెంట్ వేస్ వాట్ ఐ కాన్ఫిగర్ బేస్డ్ అపాన్ మై ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్. ఓకేనా? నా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ బేస్ చేసుకుని మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను. మాక్సిమం ఇలానే మనం చేస్తాము. ఓకేనా? ఒకసారి నేను ప్రాక్టికల్గా ఇప్పుడు డిస్కస్ చేద్దామండి.
అర్జున్, అప్లికేషన్ కాంటెక్స్ట్ అంటే క్లాస్ గ్రూప్ పైన రన్ అవుతుంది అర్జున్ జాబ్స్.
No. Okay, I will show you once I save it. Okay, I will show you. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, now here go. Sir, now I will show you practically. Okay, then you people can understand. ఇవన్నీ ప్రాక్టికల్గా చెప్పండి అబ్బా ఇంటర్వ్యూస్లో. ఇవన్నీ కామన్గా అడిగేవే, మీరు అందరూ అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నీ అడిగేవే. ఇలా ఇలా ఉంటాయండి అని క్లియర్గా చెప్పండి. ఇంకా వాళ్ళు అడుగుతుంటే ఇంక దానికి ఎవరు ఏం చేయలేరు. ఈవెన్ నాకు నాకు కూడా తెలియదు. వాళ్ళు ఇంకా ఘోరంగా అడిగారు అనుకో, వాళ్ళు ఇంకేందుకు క్రాస్ చెక్ చేసుకోవాలని మన నాలెడ్జ్ని, అంతే. Okay, sir, now okay, fine. Now I will show you how we can create first a simple example. Okay, I will show you for example. And sir, now okay, what is my requirement? You can take ఇవన్నీ మనము క్రియేట్ చేసుకొని మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అనమాట. ఓకే, అన్నీ ఒక సింపుల్గా ఏం చేస్తున్నానంటే నా వాట్ ఐ విల్ డూ. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఓకే, జస్ట్ యూ కెన్ థింక్ దట్. ఓకే ఓకే ఫస్ట్ వన్ నార్మల్గా ఒక కేస్ క్రియేట్ చేసి కేస్ నుంచి ఈమెయిల్స్ తీసుకుని ఆ విధంగా అలా కూడా చేద్దాము. ఫస్ట్ ఐ విల్ క్రియేట్ వన్ యాక్టివిటీ, నార్మల్ యాక్టివిటీ ఐ విల్ క్రియేట్. Okay, just try to understand the logic quickly. Okay, the logics already you people knows. Okay, so now okay, send customer reminder emails. Quickly I'm creating one activity. Okay, click on create and open. Sir, now here property set method. Okay, property set method parent dot to parent dot subject parent dot okay message. Okay, always I will send a email to prarjun.pega. Okay, just like example purpose. Okay, subject, okay, pending customer information. Okay, please provide the requested customer information to process your request. Okay, so now here I'm going to use send simple. I'm using send simple email. Okay, here now you can pass the parameter. Okay, almost subject, no spelling mistake and all, right? Okay, fine. Click on save. This is my activity. This is the activity. Now I want to execute every 5 minutes. You can think like that. Okay, whatever day now, okay, however you want to schedule, you can schedule. Okay, this is the activity. Okay, I want to schedule. Okay, so now see here. Now I'm going to create a job scheduler. I'm going to create a job scheduler. Okay, create a job scheduler. Okay, send. Okay, not waste customer notifications. Customer notification, I'm creating what rule set you want to create, what version you want to create, select that particular name, give the proper name. Whatever I explained, any associated node, you can select this one multiple times a day. So now what you do in case if I select student, sorry, if I selected 2 hours, every 2 hours it will send a email. So now here every 2 minutes it will send a email, every 2 seconds it will send a email. Okay, just like okay, now I'm going to change this one to okay, every 2 minutes what it will do is every 2 minutes it will send a, okay, we will change. Okay, so now see here. Okay, now for example, now I'm going to select the use system runtime context, what it will consider. Okay, we'll discuss. Sir, where you created the activity, wherever you created the activity, you can specify that class name. You can specify that class name. Sir, now you can specify send customer. Sir, now this is the activity you created. Sir, now this is the activity you created. Sir, system runtime context and then class name and then the activity name.
Arjun, like job scheduler, we are class hierarchy, we are not taking that. So rule set hierarchy. అంటే జనరల్ గా మనకి రూల్ సెట్ హైరార్కీ మీద మనం ఇక్కడ ఆ క్లాస్ ని ఫెచ్ చేసుకుంటామా? అంటే ఇప్పుడు క్లాస్ ఇప్పుడు యాక్టివిటీ క్లాస్
See,
అనేది
no. Wherever you created the activity, that activity only will call. Where you created this activity?
డిఫరెంట్ రూల్ సెట్ లో క్రియేట్ చేసినా మనం కాల్ చేయొచ్చు.
And no, different rule set and see now if you create, see if you create in the top level, if it is allowing to call, then okay fine. Then change the rule sets. Okay, prerequisites based just one chase call. If it is not allowing, you need to create a proper rule set and a proper rule set version. That's why I told, right? Okay, proper rule set, and when you are creating a job scheduler, you need to give proper rule set and rule set name.
Okay.
Okay, so now we can click on save system runtime context. She asked, right? Now when you saved this one, now here you can see this one system runtime context. So now what it will do is your application context base. So now your application context base, it will execute this one. Sir, your access group context base you want to execute, then we will specify this one. Sir, your system runtime context means now we can open this one. Now here you can see the list of applications you created here. Sir, now see, okay, in this system runtime context, what is your application? Our application is loan P. Okay, sir, now see here in this context base, this is your application, right? Everyone? Hello?
Yes,
Loan
sir.
P is your application. Now, in this context, okay, what is the version? Sir, sometimes and people will save this one and my job scheduler activity is not executing. See, for example, okay, my job scheduler Arjun, my job scheduler activity is not executing Arjun. Sir, why it is not executing? I traced it, everything is fine. Okay, see, now we need to open this one, open this runtime context. Whether, see, for example, sir, now your current, see, what is the current version? Sir, now for your okay, open your application version. What is the current application version? For example, if this one you have a application two also. Your system, your still your runtime context is pointing to 01, but your activities are available in the application two context. Whether it will execute, because sometimes we will get the issues like that. Why your job scheduler activity is not executing is in the runtime context, whether it is whether it is updating correctly or not. Sir, automatically, generally here, what is this one? Disable automatically. If you are updating your application, if you are updating this one, for example, my job scheduler activity is available in the 0101 0102 0102 02 version, and this application version 010105, whether it will update automatically this runtime context. Hello, whether it will update? No, right? Sir, this one also people will enable, and then here you can check that whether your application, this is your application, and whether your application is pointing to correct version or not, you need to verify that. Sir, now even, sir, wherever you created, sir, whatever rule set versions you created, right? Now see, for example, this one, in this one you need to verify that. Sir, in this application, sometimes we are getting issues, you need to debug like that. Okay, what is the version? What is application runtime context, which is pointing correct version or not? And then in this application, okay, now we can click on resolve rule sets. Means here we can see that okay, in this application related rule sets, current rule sets, okay, whether it is pointing or not, current rule sets, whether it is pointing or not. Loan P 0101, okay, fine. Then sir, now if loan P 0101, okay, what is the loan P 0101? Sir, now if you are pointing to 0203, sir, now when you click on resolve this one, okay, if it is pointing to 0101, your job scheduler activity is available in the 010301, whether it will execute. Hello, whether it will execute. Okay, like that you need to identify whether it is mapping correctly or not, like that. Okay, whenever you are getting issue, see, for that purpose, sometimes if people are selecting this one proper application context, whether version correctly it is updated or not, you need to check this one. Instead of that, sir, now you want to execute your job scheduler activity on based upon your access group, means we will create a separate access group, or else we will specify our administrator access group. Okay, sir, now either you can specify like that your job scheduler activity will execute on this particular context. Okay, so now see here, every 2 minutes I specified, right? Now go to the auto. Sir, now I enabled this one. Go and check here. Go and check here. So now see, automatically now see, okay, 1 minute, bro. Okay, it's better to just like now you want to, by default, it will show the time zone, right? Now, okay, what I will do is just I will specify here. Yes, exactly. Now you will not get any confusion. Okay, now log off and log in. See now see 10 40 43. Okay, 10 sorry 12:43, right? Go here, select this one, select this one. Now, sir, now see here. What time it will execute now? Hello? How many times it is executed? Now see here, I got the email or not? Now we can see here. Sir, now I got the email or not? Okay, again it will execute it. Okay, now clear? Hello? Sir, now it is
Arjun, can you change the activity?
sir, 1 minute.
Can you
Sir, now
click on
wait. Sir, now here request for information. How many times it is executed? Hello?
two
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 times?
times.
times.
Sir, now again, what time it will execute? Okay, I'm going to remove these two mails. Okay, sir, again, okay, now I got exactly. Sir, now I got one more. Okay, 1 minute. Correct. This is not one. 1 minute. So now 12:45, right? Now, in case if you want to trace this one, sir, trace this one. Now you can open this one. Now I'm going to trace, sir. Now I want to check whether that activity is executing or not. Tracing also I'm showing it. Sir, whatever job scheduler, exact time and sir, when I can, sir, my job scheduler will execute it tomorrow, sir, today at 1 p.m. Is it fine to open this activity now itself? No. Exactly 1 minute before, just we can open the tracer. Okay, na? When you are tracing, whenever you want to trace your job scheduler activity, schedule time before 1 minute or 30 seconds, you can open it. Sir, now my activity executed. Okay, I'm able to trace. Yes or no, bro? Everyone? Hello?
Yes, bro, we can see it.
Chapande. Sir, now it is executed or not? Sir,
Yes,
now
Arjun.
this is the way to trace. Now you can tell me, Akla. Chapande, Akla. No, you told to open the activity. I opened.
No. I asked you to, can you trace that
Oh, okay.
job?
Now we trace it, right? Fine.
Yes.
Okay.
Where we can see that access group, can we see access group related information and tracer also?
No,
When we
no. Sir, now you cannot see. You can see the rules only, right, in a tracer. Hello? You can see the tracer, you can see the rules only. Akila. Sir, okay, now see here. Now I scheduled here. Okay, for example. Okay, now not only this scenario, sir, now every 5 minutes it will execute. Now keep on, I will get the emails. Okay, for example, I will tell you. Sir, now this one, sir, now see, sir, now okay, I want to stop this one. For example, I want to stop this one. Okay, click on stop like that. Now I stopped. Sir, now go here. Sir, now I want to change this job. Okay, in case if someone asked you to change this job time interval, in case someone asked you what you need to do, in case if someone asked you, now it is updating like that. Okay, someone asked you to change the job scheduler time intervals as per the new requirements. Okay, what we will do is now I'm going to save as. Okay, sir, now see here. Okay, I'm going to save as into higher version. Okay, now I'm going to save as this one into higher version. Click on create and open. Sir, now click on create and open. Sir, now I don't want to execute every day. Sir, every day now to 12:40. Every day to 12:50. Sir, 12:50 now I want to execute, bro. This every day, only one time only it will execute. And sir, 12:50 every day, 12 p.m. Okay, fine. IST I'm going to specify. Sir, now okay, I'm going to specify the IST. Okay, this one, click on save. Now click on check in. Sir, now what it will do? It will execute it 12:40. Now just you can go here and okay, enable this one and check whether updated at time. Now you need to refresh. Okay, sir, now you need to check that whether it is updating correct time or not. NW this one. Sir, now it is updating, right? Every day, what time it will execute now onwards? Hello? Now onwards, what time it will execute now?
150.
Only one time only it will execute,
Only
right?
once.
One
Yes.
time. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, build. Okay, I will show you some more. See now, previous batch. Okay, now see what we are doing. I'm unable to find the folder path in a destination folder due to folder issues. You got it right, bro? Here. What is the requirement? I explained to them. Said now it is checking is there any folder path is available. If there is no folder path, I'm getting an email or not. Sir, I'm getting an email or not every day. There is a job it is executing, and then I'm getting an email or not.
Yeah.
See now I written the logic to find whether folder path is available or not. If there is no folder path, okay, now I'm sending an email. I will show you. So just like wait 12:50 and then we can see this one. Sir, next one is not only this one, Abba, I will tell you. Sir, now I want to, sir, for example, okay, go here. What we will do? Because some temp table we will create. Okay, sir, I'm going to create one temp table. Okay, payment table I'm creating. Today I will take more time, bro. Okay, please, whoever is having some emergency one, you people can leave and then you can go through this recorded file. Okay, na? Just I want to explain very clear and clean way. You can ping me some email IDs, bro. Everyone, you can ping me some your email IDs.
How much more time it will take, Arjun?
Some examples only, bro. Practical examples only. I want to show you some different examples. Then you people will understand right easily. Okay, half an hour you can consider like that. 30 minutes. Within the 30 minutes, quickly I will explain some more examples. Okay, na? 30 minutes. Okay, for example, next one I will tell you. Okay, so now what I will do is okay, I will open assignments folder. Okay, assignments folder. Okay, what I will do is go here. I will create one folder path. Go to the Dev Studio here. Pega, PRPC Personal Edition, Tomcat, Web Apps. Okay, what I will do is, okay, I'm going to create one folder path. Example purpose. Okay, NW, bro. Okay, this is my folder path. Okay. So now this is my folder path. In this folder path, now I want to place a file. Okay. Another example. So now, okay, how many examples you want to practice? You can practice, bro. Okay. For example, just I'm giving. Go here quickly. I will create one activity. Okay. I will create one activity. Okay. So now create activity. What is okay? Send. Okay. Welcome message. Okay. Welcome message. So now here. Okay, I'm using the property set method. Use this one param dot welcome. Okay, welcome to Arjun Pega CSA CWSSA. Okay, and LSA training. Okay, LSA training. So okay, fine. Next one is now what is my requirement is okay, I want to place this file. Okay, file. Okay, this is the method. Now I want to place the file into some folder path. So now what is the so now whatever this is, okay, this is the data. Now I want to insert into the, so now this is the data. Now okay, connect file I will explain. And don't worry, connect file I will explain with explanation. Okay, you can ignore. Okay, with repositories coming weeks, after 1 week I will explain. You can select the clipboard from property. I will create welcome file. Just example, because this job scheduler example, right? For the welcome file. I'm creating one connect file role. Okay, create a connect file. Okay, create a connect file. Here okay, I'm not explaining, okay, this one, okay, we'll discuss, don't worry, okay, in depth about these examples, right? We'll discuss logic, we will discuss. The connect file is one of the separate concept we will discuss. What is the file now I want to execute? Welcome training, okay, sir, file name welcome training, training dot extension file I'm specifying. If file is already exist, override this one, call with explanation, I will explain, don't worry. Click on this one, it is giving a warning. Okay, instead of connect file, you can use the repositories. Like we have a different repositories are available, we will discuss about those repositories. Okay, so now see here, okay, test connectivity also success, go here. So now what is my requirement? Every day I want to run this one every day at 4 a.m. I want to place the file. This is my requirement. So previously I want to send a reminder emails. Now what I'm doing is, now I'm going to create a job scheduler. So now here I'm going to create a job scheduler. Okay, create a job scheduler. Okay, wait. Job scheduler. Where is navigation? Okay. So now I'm going to create a job. Quickly, I'm creating a job scheduler. Uh, place welcome file. Place welcome file, or else generate welcome, whatever name you want to give, you can give any associated name. Okay, so now what I'm doing is at 12 12, right? How much time it will take within every day, uh, okay, every day I'm giving here. What I will do is what time, 12:54, 12:54 means 12 56 I will give. Okay, within 5 minutes we can, within, okay, I'm going to give, okay, sir, 57 I will give every day at 12:15, every day, only one time only, and remember, sir, only one time only it will execute. Okay, every day at 12, okay, 57 it will place a file into the destination path. Okay, destination path. In case multiple times a day you want to execute, at that time, sir, now you can specify the class name wherever activity is available. Sir, wherever activity is available, you need to specify, okay, that class name. Okay, welcome file, right? Where is it? Sir, okay, now click on save. Sir, now see here 12:57. Now it will place a file into in this path. So previously I sent an email. My requirement is sent an email. Now see here. Now it will place a file into in this destination path. Okay, wait. Okay, it will place the file into in this destination path. So even the coming days, we will discuss, and okay, sir, now I want to withdraw the cases, or else now I want to update the cases based upon time interval. Okay, now we can see some of the people knows. Okay, Santi Kumar, Vinod Kumar, okay, Venkatesh. Now you people knows, right, how we can update the multiple records, how we can update the resolve the cases. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
now
bro.
you can, all that logic now we can return. Now here, okay, 1 minute. Okay, just like 550. Okay, 12:57. Now it will place a file here, one text file. Now I want to, my requirement is I want to create a file. What is the file you want to create? A text file. Bro, is it possible to create? See here, exactly 12:57. Now it is created a welcome training. This is my file name. Whatever message now see, welcome to Pega. Okay, welcome to Arjun Pega CSS CWSS LSC trainings. Now we can see or not? Hello, Akila, everyone. Ganesh.
Yeah, that,
See, okay, okay, one more. Now, not only this one. Bro, okay. For example, here, next requirement. What I will do is, I'm going to, okay, is it possible to send your email, three people, and three cases I will create, three people, or three or four, your email IDs. Is it possible to send your email? Okay, already people sent email. Okay, fine, perfect, bro. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, I'm processing your request. Okay. Okay, one case, okay, see, now what is my requirement is, for example, okay, now I want to resolve these cases automatically. Okay, just you can feel that, okay, this case is waiting from long back onwards. I want to resolve these cases automatically. Now that logic also I will show you. After that, final example I will show you. Sir, like that you can create sir, now Arjun, okay, one Arjun Reddy. Okay, that's it. Okay, and then I will specify my email ID. Okay, Arjun Pega @gmail. Okay, don't worry, looping and all I will explain. And if you didn't understand this logic, okay, you will understand coming days. Okay, coming days you people can understand whatever logic I'm going to write. Okay, sir, now see here. Address, permanent address, permanent. Okay, fine, click on submit. I entered correct email ID only, right? Fine. Okay, I will create one more case like that. We will create 3 cases, and then now I will enter Vinod Kumar email ID. Vinod Kumar email ID. Okay, Vinod Kumar, and then I will specify the Vinod Kumar email ID. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Enter some data here. Here, click this one, click this one, click this one, permanent. Okay, click on submit. I'm going to, okay, 3 cases only, bro. Okay, multiple, even multiple means, okay, number of cases also. Okay, next one is Ganesh. Okay, Ganesh. Okay, Babu. ఓకే. మీకు నేను ఈరోజు ఒక స్పెషల్ క్లాస్ తీసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నానండి మీకు. అఖిల, మీకు ఓపికేనా? ఈవినింగ్ కావచ్చు, ఏదో ఒక టైంలో ఓపిక ఉందంటారా?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే. ఈ ఎడిషనల్‌గా కొంచెం మీకు మంచిగా కొన్ని అది మన ఓల్డ్ డేటాబేస్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్. ఓకే. ఓకే. 3 కేసెస్ పెట్టానులే బ్రో. ఓకే. నౌ ఐ వాంట్ టు, ఓకే, జస్ట్ యూ కెన్ థింక్ వాటెవర్ కేసెస్ టుడే వి క్రియేటెడ్, ఐ వాంట్ టు రిజాల్వ్ దోస్ కేసెస్. Sir, depends. For example, I didn't get the response. I didn't get the response. Every day I want to check. Okay, whatever cases are available. Sir, whatever, okay, I will do one thing. What is the case status? What is the case status? Whatever cases, every day I want to check. Daily cases, whatever case status is open. All of those cases only. If it is pending from long back onwards, I want to resolve those cases. Now see here. Okay, I'm going to create one report. Okay, now I'm going to create one report. Okay, get open personal loan cases. Open quickly. I'm going to create activity. Create activity. Get open loan cases. A report. Just I want what are the details now? I want. Okay. Click on refresh this one. PYID. Okay, now you want PZNSK or else whatever you want to include, you can include, bro. Sir, now I want first name. Spelling mistake name లేదు కదా. Okay, last name. Email ID. Okay, email ID. Even PY status work. Sir, now what is my requirement? PY status work is equal to only I want to check open cases. Okay, even for example, just like here, create date time, you can add a condition and but here now what I'm doing is create date time. Sir, create date time is equal to today. Okay, today cases only. I'm okay. Sir, here click on select only today cases, like example purpose. Right now I'm giving today cases, like, but in a real time point of view, last 30 days cases, whatever open status, PY status equal to open status. Now I want, okay, how many cases we will get. Now we will check. For okay, total 3 cases only, right? Today we created. Now we can add if email ID is blank, whatever conditions now you want to add, you can add. Only 3 cases now I got. Okay, fine. What is my requirement? I want to resolve these cases and then I want to send. There is no response from these people. Okay, there is no response from these people. Okay, so now every day I want to check. Every day I want to check manually. I don't want to check every day. I want to check and then I want to send an email. Okay, okay. resolve NW personal loan cases. Resolve personal loan cases. Now click on create and open. So now okay, fine, quickly specify a report page where rule, what is the class name? Rule, OBJ. Come on.
Report definition.
Report definition. Quickly you can specify this one. Okay, fine. Next one is okay, loan case. Okay, I'm going to specify code pega list. Okay, looping and okay, this one looping concept. This one. Okay, if you okay, this one also we will discuss. Don't worry. Okay, PX results. Okay, what is your class name? Okay, personal loan class. Now I'm going to specify personal loan class. What it will do? Go here, next one. What I'm doing is okay, page new method, exception handling and all. I'm not doing okay, those things. Okay, already people knows, or else okay, some of the people knows, some of the people when I'm going to explain about database concepts, okay, pending thing at the time, okay, I will explain. Okay, how we will when you are writing a logic, how we will do the exception handling and all. Okay, param dot py report name specify py. Yes, bro, Vinod Kumar.
Page name.
Oh, okay, okay. Py report class.
Yes, bro.
Report class. Any exception handling change. Py. Sorry, if the
Page
record
name.
is not available, I
Page
don't
name.
want to execute. Okay, well, page name. Okay, go here. Where is your report is available? Go here and specify. Next one is what is the class? Go here and then from here we will copy. Okay, from here we will copy. Next one. Okay, where is the, what is the page name, bro? Go here and then page name. Okay, na? Sir, okay, fine. Sir, now see here. Okay, what you are doing is PX retrieve report data. PX retrieve. Okay, you can specify the class here. Okay, PX retrieve report data. Okay, fine. Okay, now you can expect PY report name, no spelling mistakes, right? Okay, what is your requirement now? Come on. Sir, now I want to auto resolve those cases and then I want to send an email notification. I want to auto resolve those cases. Okay, now what you are doing?
Property set.
Property set. Okay, what I will do is okay. Now I will
Case
include PZ. Okay,
status.
it will expect PZNS key, right? PZNS key. It will expect the PZNS key value. Come on. After that, okay. Now you are expecting PZNS key value. Come on. Each record you are opening. Okay. Parent dot ins key. Okay, after that, what you will do? You are opening that record.
Open the folder.
Sir, you can. It's not mandatory. Okay, even that one also I told, right? It's not mandatory to open that record. Sir, but we want to send an email, right, bro? If we want to send an email or not? If you want to send an email, we need to open that record or not? Come on. Now I want to send an email. Why? Because I want to get the email details. Okay, even email details also here we have. Okay, okay, what we will do? First, we are going to resolve that case. Okay. What is the activity? PX.
Force.
PX force. PX force
PX.
case.
Post case.
కాదబ్బా ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ వాళ్ళేమో ఎన్ని అడుగుతారు ఎలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోగలుగుతాం అన్ని ఎస్ సార్ నో ఓకే సార్ అలా చెప్పలేం కదా వెంకటేష్ సారీ వినోద్ కుమార్ వాళ్ళకి సాగు కొడతారు కదా ఏం చేస్తాం నా వాట్ వి విల్ డూ INS key. Now see, it's not mandatory to open the case and okay. Again, I'm telling it's not mandatory. Okay, first what we will do is we will resolve the case. Okay, we will resolve the case. Okay, what is the key? INS. INS key. Now I closed this one. INS key. Resolved. Update the state. After that, what do you want to do? I want to send an email. Anyway, here email ID is available. Okay, anyway, email ID is available. Even no need to run also param dot 2. Param dot next one. Come on.
Subject.
Subject. What subject you want to send? PYID. Okay. Loan. Loan request ID. Okay, loan request ID. Okay, a loan request ID. Param dot.
Message.
No spelling mistakes, no, all are good, right? Okay, fine then. In case if you want to specify, you can specify work page also. It's not mandatory to specify. Why? Because your main page is pointing to work class only, right? Fine, all are fine. Okay, now we passed all parameters again. Okay, fine. What it will do is it will execute. Sir, now again, okay, one more very important. Okay, I forgot. Okay, I forgot. Okay, very important point. Very important point. Whatever rules we are calling in a job scheduler activity, whatever rules you are calling in a job scheduler activity, we need to check in all the rules, otherwise it will not execute. Otherwise it will not execute. Those rules means that logic which those, okay, otherwise it will not execute. Okay, those rules related logics. Okay, na? Okay, remember like that. Okay. So now I'm going to create a job scheduler. Okay. Shall I use existing one only, bro? Is it fine, or else do you want to create one more? Already we created. Shall I use this one? Now already this example completed,
Yeah.
right? I will try to use
Okay.
this one. Okay. So now what is the time now? Okay. What is the time now? Okay, we will specify 12. 1 11 like that. 11 13. Okay, within 2-3 minutes, fine, bro. Okay, we can complete. What is the activity we created? 13 I specified, right? Okay. Go and see timings. If it is not properly updated, right? What you need to do is oh, why? Oh, welcome file 13. Okay, now in case if you want to trace safer side, we will trace also whether we are getting an error. Okay, final example, whatever Ganesh asked to, right, bro? Sir Arjun, how we can execute job scheduler morning at 5 or 5 and 6, but we are scheduling at 9 o'clock, it will not execute, right? One solution I told, every day at 2 job scheduler we will create, or else what we will do in the job scheduler activity itself, we will not execute. Okay, job scheduler activity itself, we will not execute. Okay, sir, there is no error, I think. Sir, just you can cross check from your end whether you people got the email or not.
Yeah, received it.
I got the email, right, bro? Okay, now this
Yeah,
case ID
got
also. Okay, now we will open that case. Now see here. Okay, now we will check those case IDs. So this is the one case I created today. Sir, now I got the email and then why case is not resolved?
I have not given status as resolved with the run.
Oh, I didn't give.
Not here, bro. I'm asking in the case type.
No, no, no. That one is fine, bro. Okay, we can update. Okay, quickly we will open the status. Oh, last time also we got the issue with the status.
Yes, bro.
Huh?
One of the case we got like that. We changed the status and then it was
Resolved.
resolved.
No, no, no. Okay, 1 minute. It will execute only. Okay, just like a Venkatesh. Because of status issue. Okay, 1 minute. ಏನಮ್ಮ again it will take what case, bro? Resolve leave cases. Okay. So now see, okay, I didn't open this one. Okay, I think a proper resolved cancelled. Okay, because of this one only, no issues. Okay, no need to open this one. Okay, I will update proper one. Then you can update. Okay, I will reschedule. Okay, next example I will tell you. Okay, okay, I will reschedule this one. Okay, I will reschedule this one at okay, I will reschedule this one at 12:18. Okay, 12:18 it will execute. Okay, so next example is 12:18 it will execute. Just you check and sir, when you are timings when you are updating, right, just you can overwrite and then you can revert. Automatically it will update that time. Sometimes if it is not updating, stop and then you can update again. Okay, where is that one? Okay, welcome file. It will execute self. Sir, next one is, sir, now you want to execute your time. Okay, your job to your activity morning at 9 and or 4, like that. In case if you want to execute at that time, how we will do is I will open existing one itself. Sir, now this is the job to your activity, right? Sir, this one we cannot control. This one we cannot control. You got it right. This one we cannot control. Now what I will do is I am going to take this one to every 1 hour I will execute. Okay, now every 1 hour I will execute this one. What I will do is here I will check this one. Okay, before this one itself, you got it right, Ganesh. Now before itself. Now what I will do
yeah,
is I will check this one here. What I will do is param dot. Okay, hour. Param dot hour. Okay, now here you can see here. Okay, function I will use this one. Substring. Substring. Okay, index. There's what my our right. Okay. We will check. Our how the date format it looks like is ఇంకొకటి 12 okay 03/28 okay T right after that hours only right okay 12 hours minutes seconds like that 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 9 10 11 9 10 okay 9 10 11 okay well, now what you are getting from okay 1 2
Starting to take zero, right? 0, 1, 2. Starting it will take 0, right? 0, 1, 2.
0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 8 9 10 okay fine perfect only bro correct okay 9 12 it is giving 0 1 0 7 hours okay current date time and then it is giving right sir now based upon this one okay now we can calculate or not sir for me 9 okay 7:50 GMT right it will show current date time GMT only right bro sir for me now okay 7:50 now see here hello everyone sir now you got it right 7 means for me it is showing 7 bro now GMT only. Sir, now what I will do here, what I will do, param dot, sir, now you put param dot equal to 09, param dot is equal to hours, like, okay, or param dot equal to morning 5 means 17, right, bro? Oh, 17 means, okay, hours now you can calculate 17 only, right? 5, continue, otherwise it did the activity. Agreed, bro? Whether it will execute this activity every time, every day, every 1 hour it will execute this activity.
No.
Come on, చెప్పండి మీకు మీరు డౌట్లు ఎవరైతే అడిగారో whether it will execute every day, every time.
No.
Sir, now it will not execute. It will not execute. It will execute only morning at 9 and sir, now you are checking this condition. Job scheduler will execute every 1 hour. Every 1 hour it will check what is it hour. It will see this one is executing also. Is there any issue with? Is there any issue? No, right? Come on, చెప్పండి no issue కదండి.
No issue. Yeah.
Okay, now we will check this one whether it is resolved or not. Why it is activity అసలు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయిందా లేదా? Even you didn't get the email also, right?
Earlier we got message.
No. Now you didn't get the email. అంటే it's not executed. 1 minute. I will open this one. Correct time పెట్టాం కదా. Open this one. Loan and process. Open this one. Resolve cases. Okay, I didn't get the email. Okay. Now what I will do is okay. We will check every.
Actually,
No, we can, if you run the activity, it will, 1 minute. Okay, is there any cases are available or not? We will check. Oh, already completed, bro. Then why it is not updated? There is no open cases, means it is resolved only, right? Hey, it's updated previously. Okay, first run itself it is executed. Oh, I opened wrong, bro. Wrong case. Now it is updated, right? No,
Yes,
first
bro.
run itself it is executed, everyone. Okay, na? Akila,
Yeah,
Ganesh.
okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
then
Ajay.
first run itself it is executed. In the back end, you can see here, job scheduler itself. Sir, like that and any question, sir, now I want to delete, bro. I want to delete the log. Okay, I will show you.
Arjun,
See. Okay, 1 minute,
Arjun,
bro. 1 minute, please. I want to cover some more thing. Sir, now see here. Sir, now here, I created previous batches. I want to place a file, CSV file. Sir, now I written the logic. Okay, I written the logic to place the file into CSV folder. Clear? Come on, Ganesh, Santikumar, everyone. Sir, now I written
Yeah.
the logic. I written the logic to place a file. In the job scheduler, I place this logic. Okay. I will open the next one. Okay, next one is generated sample file. Okay, this one is okay, just now we discussed. Sir, now I want to update the case details. Now, what we are doing in this one? Now, in this activity, what you are doing? Sir, now I'm queuing each logic. I'm taking a data from this customer table. I'm queuing. Tomorrow I will explain this one. Sir, I'm queuing and then I'm updating the data. Okay, now I'm updating the data. Clear? This one, this is the another example. Sir, now you can practice like that. Next one, okay, I will open. Delete loan cases. Now in this one, what I'm doing? Sir, now I retain the logic to delete the cases from my system. Okay? Clear everyone. So now like that in the job scheduler activity, just simply whatever main thing is in activity you are writing a logic. In activity you are writing a logic. In activities are now see here. Now I'm updating. So now case details now I'm updating. In this scenario now I'm updating my case details. See here. I written this much of logic. In activity I'm written this logic, which record I'm opening from my table, my custom table. Say what is the table? Verification table. Whatever scenario I tell you, from verification table I'm getting, and then I'm opening that verification data to in this home loan case. After that again I'm updating successfully, whether it is updated or not, whether successfully I updated or not, in my staging table like that. So like that you can create your own examples and then you can practice. And okay, now clear and about job schedulers, everyone?
so can you open this activity there? Generate leave request CSV file.
Generate?
Generate leave request CSV file. Can you open this
No,
activity?
that one I will explain. Don't worry. I will explain
Okay.
later. Okay. We have integration topics are available, right? At that time I will show you. Okay, na?
Yes, bro.
Okay, integration topics at that time I will explain about this logic one. Now you know, right? Whatever logic, whatever CSV file you are creating, now how we are okay running that logic based upon some scheduled time intervals. Come on,
Yes, bro.
Satish. అందరికి అర్థమైందా అండి? Clear?
Yes, bro. Clear, bro.
Okay, thanks, sir. We'll continue tomorrow about
Arjun,
reports.
I have one doubt.
Yes.
Yeah, instead of creating report and all that things, can we use OBJ open to open
Yes,
the
yes.
record, and can we change PY status work to resolve with run by using property set method?
Yes, we can use OBJ open method. Yes.
Arjun,
In the
coming to
report, OBJ browse also you can use. Database also you can use. Open that record and then you can update. Yes, Akila.
Arjun, I have small doubt, Arjun.
Ah,
Arjun, for completing assignment, we have any OTB activity to complete the assignment without any manual interaction.
yes. Resume work. Use the resume work. Resume. Okay. Resume. 1 minute. What is the activity name? Resume flow. You need to pass the flow name and flow action name.
For assignment also.
Assignment only it will complete, bro. Assignment only it will complete. In this
Okay.
flow, what assignment? See, flow action to perform after assignment.
Okay.
This one only. Okay, na? Sir, this example, now we can use this one. automatically go here. This example you can use this one. Okay, this example you can use px change stage. Okay, in this example you can use come on, in this example you can use, come on,
px transfer,
reass assign
okay,
work or reassign to work basket. So now here you can use the open the cases and then you can use update case state, Pega OTB activities. Update state, loop this one, each record you can update by using this Pega OTB activity.
okay bro,
Come on,
thanks.
నీట్గా క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి. ఓకే, రేపు ఫ్యూ ప్రాసెస్ కూడా ఇలానే డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. థ్యాంక్స్ సార్.
Arjun, I have some doubts in assignments. When we will connect on that?
ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు షేర్ చేస్తారా? ఒక రీజాయిన్ అవ్వండి.
Yeah, rejoin our Arjun.
Yes.